Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? Okay, cool. Gonna probably have quite a bit longer stream today. That's why he's the G-pad. I do not know what that means. What the hell is G-pad? Hey, Horror King, how are you doing? Goat. I am getting quite confused. What the hell are you talking about, man? Let me just put this on the edge. Either way, for a little bit of a program for today's stream, I'm gonna start by just doing a covering plugin. I'm gonna start working on a debugging plugin, mainly planning. Maybe a little bit of code. We gotta figure out, we gotta transition something from Lost Harmony to a separate plugin, so I can then easier move it between projects. And then we're gonna do some reactions, gonna look at some videos again, and after that I would say some Palworld. It's gonna be probably a bit longer stream today, nothing really pressing, nothing else planned for the rest of the day, so let's just enjoy it and have some nice chat today. Got the GOAT, the greatest of all. That's somewhat hard to believe. Make sure Qtable Emnies. What is it? Qtable Emnies. Smooth cuttable enemy. Yeah, okay, I gotcha what you mean now. Smooth cuttable enemies. That's I already did that a few times. I think you can figure it out. Okay. So let me play some music for myself. You cannot hear it, sadly enough, because, you know, copyright and all that. But I can at least play it for myself. Some nice anime opening music in the background. It always makes everything better. Okay, so let me check if the Discord went fine, but I would say so. Let me just check if the stream works fine and you can hear me fine, but everything should be great. Yep, I can hear myself at least, so that's probably good enough. So let me just stop this and we can get to work. So I wanted to start by just setting up a new plugin for it. I think I'm gonna call it just better debugging, because all the nodes there I can just start naming better. You can hear me fine? Oh, okay, thank you for letting me know. It's good. Okay, alright guys. Do you have, by the way, that's something I was thinking about lately. Do you have a preference for live streaming platform? Because I usually just share YouTube when I'm posting it on Discord or whatnot, but we know that this is live streaming, right? So everything works great on Twitch and YouTube, streaming on both time and Kick as well. But I'm wondering which one should I be always sharing? Which one makes more sense? I guess Twitch is pure live streaming platform, which makes sense. But sure, go ahead. You can talk from Twitch. That's all good. And kind of a new setup, yep. And I even can do something like this now. Look at that. Well, hello. I mean, I suppose the chat doesn't work now too well. I'm gonna have to move it a little bit. But yep, got completely nice setup now. So it all works. Cool. But it's Lost Harmony. Lost Harmony has demo submitted to Steam, so now it's on them. Everything is submitted and prepared, so we are gonna, hopefully the demo will be approved by Steam in the next few days, and then it's gonna be playable. There's a lot of things on Lost Harmony to be done, of course. But honestly, right now, most of the base systems and all that is set up. And now it's all about doing level design and just adding a lot of content. And I don't think I can do that alone. So, well, I mean, I can do that alone, but I would not enjoy it much. So that would, of course, not end up being a great game. So, because you can't really, I don't think you can make really a good game if the creator doesn't enjoy when he's doing that. So we will see how it's gonna go. I'm gonna probably have to hire someone for some parts of it. So what's gonna be like a program for next few weeks and months? It's gonna be a lot of work on plugins. For Patreons, we're gonna get a bunch of plugins. One is already available on Patreon, by the way. If you go to Patreon right now, you're gonna be able to get a in-game camera, the one that's we have in Lost Harmony. It's completely available for anyone who's supporting on Patreon. and I'm gonna make a proper promo for it later, but just so you know, it's already happening. And now next plugin that's being worked on is gonna be just debugging, better debugging. I'm gonna have to put it a little bit better together, so it's nice and presentable. And we will see what's happening after. There's a bunch of cool projects that I wanna do, so we're gonna try to do here and there. And still, there's gonna be work on Lost Harmony. It's just a lot more stuff that I don't necessarily need to do right now. So we'll see how that's gonna go. But mainly now it's about waiting for approval of demo. And there's also a new Steam festival that's gonna be in June, I think. Lost Harmony already qualified for. So once I submit the demo, it's gonna basically the qualification be approved for it as well. So the Lost Harmony is gonna be featured there as well. It's gonna be pretty cool. Hopefully there's gonna be a lot more work to be on improving of the demo, because I'm not super happy with it right now. It just needs a lot more content, but those are like base systems and it works. So that's it. Maybe that's why I was so chill. Maybe, who knows? I suppose. As I have also not been streaming lately, which I am well aware is sucks, and I wish I did, but I had a lot of work with my work. A lot of work at work, right? Was very busy with other stuff and finishing up demos, so I wasn't able to stream, but now I'm back. I'm gonna be streaming about 3 times a week about that, and probably a bit longer streams for that, so should be pretty nice. We'll see how it goes. I would like to do a bit more events, like some cool stuff that are gonna be later made into a bit cooler video as well. We shall see. We shall see. We'll see. Snicker, what do you think? What do you prefer as a streaming platform? Like the main thing you are liking, you wanna watch live streams on? Do you watch just me on on YouTube and everyone else on Twitch, or do you just not use Twitch at all? Because I do think there is. I'm just wondering which one should I promote more, if it's a YouTube or if it's Twitch, because Twitch has some pretty serious trouble right now heading its way. So who knows how that's gonna go. I'm a bit not concerned necessarily, but I am not sure if I would entrust my future into Twitch. So I'm a bit skeptical about promoting it too much. And YouTube has a bunch of advantages, right? Because it's really easy to just watch someone on YouTube. But I have heard a lot of people just dislike watching live streams on YouTube, which I'm not so sure about. But yeah. YouTube or Cake. Gotcha. Makes sense. I mean, I'm always multi-streaming. It's just about which platform to promote more. Because I think most of the growth always comes from YouTube anyway. Because you don't grow much as a creator when you are streaming. So it's all about the content when you are not streaming. Legend returns. Well, hopefully. Hey, Alex, how are you doing, sir? How are you doing? I'm gonna let you know tomorrow, probably. If everything goes well, tomorrow or Monday. About YouTube. Who else do you watch, Sneaker? Who is your favorite creator you would recommend? Okay. So I wanted to call this just better debug. And that is me. Can you hear me if I press the keyboard so loudly now? Wait. No, you can't. Okay, good. So let's call it better debugging notes. It's probably gonna change a little bit, but it's good enough. And we don't need to change anything here. But which one are we gonna go with, though? I think that blueprint library makes most sense. Romanian streamer. Okay, gotcha. Probably not gonna be familiar. To be honest, I don't really watch live streams too much. I try to not watch that much YouTube anyway, because it's usually not too. No, that's not true. I do watch YouTube quite a bit, but I just like listening to things. So for me, it's usually just better to listen to the video. So I rarely actually watch the video. Pretty much never. Untrusted solution. Well, that's lovely. Thank you. Okay, I needed GitHub for desktop, and I need exactly this. Okay, it's gonna be separate. So what we're gonna do is pretty much steal everything from the debug that I have in the utilities here. So I'm gonna have to recreate now. Yeah, is it just the utils? No, that's a class. Found that games are not perfect after using no games are ever perfect. Okay. Wait, what's UV unlocker? It's like that lets you open the Unreal packaged games in the original project files, right? Do I remember it correctly? Was it not part of utils? Must have been. Oh, it was BP utils? Pet the print string, there we go. Basically, I just want to recreate this. And this was originally blueprint function library. That's what I suspected. So I want to do something very similar here. You can pause the game, change speed, moving free on the map, like things like that. Yeah. You're getting the program to debug the game for you? No, not at all, not at all. I am working on a plugin that will make debugging games a little bit easier. When you are making a game in Unreal, you have you always basically set up the same system, and part of that can be automated. So imagine like you normally use we are using nodes with blueprints, but let's say normally you need like 5 lines of code, but I wanna make a plugin that lets you use just quickly one line of code. That makes it much easier. I part of it did for when I was working on Lost Harmony, but now I wanna standardize it a little bit and make it into a plugin that can be easily used across projects. That's kind of the idea. I suppose, Sneaker, it can help a lot when you are trying to make a game. Yeah, I can see that. I can see that being super helpful. Okay. So, let's see. Wait, how is this still here? Oh, okay. So, what we need is to get a new class for it, and that should be a blueprint library. And do we need more than one? Probably better to have more. Wait, better debug. We need this thing. Against better debug, and let's call this one sprints. Maybe print strings. That's not really fair, right? Because it's doing a lot more than printing strings. Well, you know what? Let's do just print utils. That's good base. Exactly, that's what you gotta get stuck on. Just the naming. Let's spend first half an hour just trying to figure out what would be the ideal name for the class and just write anything. All right, so I'm gonna have to steal basically this. And I have a bunch of input parameters that I'm gonna wait, print details header. Yep. A CPP is empty for a util class? Oh, it is. Interesting. Okay, so basically on these, and we wanna paste it all the way in here. And we're gonna do the same thing with actual class. I just wanna copy paste it and then rewrite it, but this is gonna speed things up a little bit. So we want this to take. I have here some testing static float that I don't even know why I did that, but that's fine. This. There we go. Okay, cool. That should be everything we need from Lost Harmony code, so we can get rid of it now. This one doesn't exist. That's fine. Oh, I should have put here a proper name as a prefix. Nah, it's fine. So this is print utils. Okay. This should do the job, right? Wait, what are we missing here? Oh, nothing is closing that class. What kind of keyboard am I on? There we go. That should do the trick actually. So let's just close this. And we can wait. We don't need this. We also don't need this. We need just the game here. There we go. Technically, we just need to build a plugin, but it's fine. Okay. All right. Anything cool about drinking today, guys? I got just my pretty traditional tea with milk, surprisingly. I don't know why I'm so British sometimes. Yeah, it's not caffeinated. That's true. It's not quite normal tea, milk-based tea. It's basically chai tea, which is Indian, I guess. But I mean, India was conquered by UK for so long that we can as well consider it a British tea. Now I managed to successfully insult every single Indian that could be watching. Amazing. Right, I need to get this one. And let's see if it loads correctly. So we can do it. Is it all binded in the character? It would be a bit annoying. Wait, let's see. So, oh, it really binded all just in C++. That's annoying. I don't like binding control in C++. So what we want is keyboard, let's say F. So when we pay respect to someone, we want to do a better print string. There we go. What does normal print string looks like? Print string array. Better print string. Okay. Come on, C++ blueprints based, of course. Of course, that's how we do it. So, a few things that I don't like about this is that I found somewhat annoying is this key. So the thing is that we kind of need the key to be set for each class. Let me maybe first say what's the problem and we can try to figure it out. So this better print string versus regular, let's have a look at it. This is, no, see, this is even stupider. So we got here a regular print string, prints normal string, doesn't do anything, super useless, no one wants to use it. Now we have here a better print string that is letting us automatically tell what info we have, appends it with actual debug, and then we can customize the color, and it lets us automatically set a key much faster. But we have some things that we can still improve. So we can, for example, figure out the printing to lock and printing to screen. Can we set up a custom print to lock enumeration? Because that would be pretty cool. Again, it's gonna be a lot of planning, so we're gonna just figure out what this should be and then do a little bit of work. Then we can switch to React content. Gonna be some React boring YouTube stuff that needs to be recorded because we're running out of material from previous streams, and then Palworld. That's gonna be it for today. I played a bit of Palworld, I think it was 2 days ago. It was just a late night stream. That was pretty fun, honestly. I really like it. And Palworld? What's and Palworld? So this should basically be just, I don't know, pressing F, and then we want it to get a world location. I can get actor location. Okay, does the job exactly as we wanted. So now where it becomes a bit more troublesome is if we get to something like event kick. So if a regular print string, and by default with this as well, it just starts spamming the whole screen, right? Not fun. No one wants that. It's horrible. But if we put here any random key, it's gonna automatically replace it, which is good. We do want that, but we want to standardize it a little bit more. So how can we make this slightly more interesting? Did we open the print utils? No. Come on. Oh wait, maybe I don't have a debugging library for UV 5.1. That would suck. Wait, is that the case? I don't. Fuck. That sucks. I can convert this to 5.3 because for that one I do have it. Is that gonna be a problem with backwards compatibility? I don't think it should. No, I think it should be fine. With plugins it's pretty easy. With blueprints it's kind of difficult to do. But with C++ code, backwards compatibility is usually fine. Okay, let's see. Wanna grab this? You're scared of Aventic? Don't be scared of it. It's fine. It's very friendly. There is nothing bad it can do to you. Wait, what was that? And Palworld? What do you mean by that, dude? So we're gonna have to, first of all, close this. And then what we need to do, first of all, is to grab this one and tell it to stop misbehaving. Oh god, no, please not Visual Studio. And open it with code, which I suppose is Visual Studio as well, but hey. Oh, we don't have your engine version. Okay. Oh, okay, in that case it doesn't matter. It should not care in that case about which version we are opening it if it doesn't have specified parameter. Pretty sure that's the case. I mean, other nodes here will care, but that's fine. We'll explain to them it's needed. So we're gonna get a crash right away. Yep, that's fine. All right, look at that. Don't worry, Snicker. Frame the Aventic is your friend. It will help you figure out. It will help you do things. I don't know, man. It's just friendly. If you treat it with respect, it will also treat you with respect. Okay. Oh, come on. By the way, guys, I have watched, what was yesterday? Or no, the night before. I watched Avatar: The Last Airbender TV show. Anyone watched it yet? Let me see, before I start complaining about it, anyone watched it yet? Because I'm sure that for everyone here, or like vast majority of the people, the Last Airbender was like pretty important show growing up. That's like pretty universally loved. And yeah, Netflix did its thing. It wasn't good. Nah, it really wasn't. I watched just the first episode. I refused to watch after that. Oh god, that's gonna be indexing everything. Okay, now we have time. Okay, we have enough time to complain now. So, what would I say about it? It was not catastrophical, I guess, but it certainly wasn't good. I think actors were pretty good. They mostly were fitting the role. Don't have a real problem with them. All of the actors actually that were playing were pretty decent, which is impressive considering how difficult is it to adapt something, some animated show to a TV show, and to something like live action. But honestly, the writing was the biggest issue by far. It just wasn't good. That and pacing. And also the editing for fighting scenes was really, really bad. Talking on about for the first episode, that was the only one that I watched, and I kind of refused to watch anything further. So that's where I end up. But yeah, it wasn't good. Would not recommend. Just I see, they are like making like the same issues that most Marvel movies are making, and that I also saw in the new Star Wars movies. They were just the pacing is completely off. They don't let you have any room for breathing. The combat scenes need the fighting scenes, I guess, choreography there needs to have a cut or cut every single punch, which is very annoying. Because if you look at something that would be considered like really good editing, or like really well edited fight scenes, that's gonna be like something like Matrix, right? Really amazing. And most new movies or shows, sadly enough, just go completely crazy and edit and cut after every punch, which is not good. I do not approve. Hey Kiara, how are you doing? Just complain. Are we talking movies? Yeah. I am just talking movies. I was complaining about. I think you haven't watched it, right? We talked about it. Avatar: The Last Airbender. It just got a Netflix adaptation. I watched the first episode the night before. It wasn't good. It was not good at all. It had like typical Marvel fighting editing, where you just like literally character punches, then we get 5 cuts in between. And it's just such a huge stark contrast with something like well, I mean, the Matrix is the best example, where you have just one shot for the whole fighting scenes, like really amazing. But you even had Marvel shows that were really good. For example, Daredevil, if I remember correctly, like really cool fighting scenes. But it seems like what most new movies and shows do is just over editing it like crazy. They're making like Mr. Beast a YouTube video from it, which does not work very well. But yeah, not good. So yeah, pretty much movies, TV shows, I guess. Have you watched anything cool lately? I got a few recommendations just recently. Yeah, haven't seen Not Planning in the Future. Yeah, I can see that. I can say, do watch the TV show though. The Avatar: Last Airbender is amazing. It's an animated show. You should. Yeah. Exactly what I was saying. It's really good. Damn, it's so good. I would put it definitely up there. With let's see what are like other really good animated shows that I mean, if you dive into anime, it's like definitely Full Metal Alchemist. That's also really good. But what would be like, let's say not necessarily a Japanese, but what would be the actually good Western animated shows? I mean, the movie would be the Into the Spider-Verse. I thought it was pretty good. But what else? Well, either way, I would definitely put it up there. Apocalypse Now kind of broke me inside. Awesome way. Okay, that does sound interesting. That does sound very interesting. I've never used a plugin that's not from Epic in my life. That's almost certainly wrong. You just don't know that those plugins were not made by Epic. A lot of the plugins that were originally not made by Epic just end up being a part of the engine. It's pretty common. Unity does it a lot more than Unreal, but Epic still does it a lot as well. So you have almost certainly used a lot of plugins made by someone else and you don't even know about it. Okay, now it should work. There we go. Look at that. Do not print in shipping. No, we do want to print in shipping. The print strings are fundamental parts of game. They should be in shipping builds as well. Only use the water plugin, the electric player, or how it's called, 3D text. Now, I probably used a lot more, just don't remember that. It's a lot of things that you probably just don't consider plugins, but they are. Okay, so get world objects. Let's see how this thing works. And I need to kind of clean up my screen because there's so many weird things. Okay, hide all of this. So what are we actually printing here? Look at that. Guys, if you feel bad about your code, this is Unreal Engine. This is original Unreal Engine code. It still compiles though, so apparently not a problem. That's not my code. That's Epic's code. Okay, and that's not even like a in editor, some like in progress build. This is officially downloaded from marketplace from a Epic launcher, so it's alright, guys. Don't worry about your code. Gonna watch Into the Spider-Verse today. Across the Spider-Verse is my favorite. Oh, cool. I have not watched the second one yet. It's Across the Spider-Verse. Okay. Yeah, I have not watched it yet, and I am fully aware how much of an insult that is, and I should really watch it, but just haven't gotten to it yet. I watched recently, last night, again, a Iron Sky. Really good. Really good. Love that movie. So let's try to figure out what the hell is happening here. Okay, they do a lot of things. So here we do get from context or get error mode, return no, that's fine. Where are they actually printing on the screen though? Yeah, that's reasonable. Okay, we don't care about this. Final display text, prefix and int string, final string. Text, no. Sheesh, they are going crazy with this. Local viewport, so okay. Lock blueprint message where both text is. This is where we are starting to get to something actually displayable. Yeah. Definitely awesome stuff. The Iron Sky is so good. It's such a good. I have seen it's also it has pretty bad reviews on both IMDb and Rotten Tomatoes, and I like not gonna be too angry at them, but it does seem like it's just offending a certain, because like we can pretty clearly say who is Iron Sky 1 making fun of, and I'm pretty sure that that's why it got such a low ratings. Same with what was the movie? Jesus, they were making fun of a military complex. Starship Troopers? Yep, Starship Troopers. Starship Troopers are also get pretty bad reviews. I think it's just people not understanding what it is actually referring to. What it is actually showing. Okay, so this is a display final string. So this is the exact same thing that I am doing. It's just using the inner key. So how is this inner key handled? Ambiguous symbol. Yeah, that's ambiguous to me too. I think it's Unicode, so that means it's text with 64 characters. But what's printing it on the console? Oh, so this is gonna be probably just diving a lot through the documentation. I think I may have simplified it slightly too much. It does the job though. I more care about the key. So okay, you know what? Let's first figure out what are we actually trying to do. This randomly looking through code is not super helpful. So let's first figure out this, and then we can actually get to some writing, and then we're gonna do some React content again. Okay. So let's first figure out what's the purpose of this. Oh wait, we need it just one. I can do a quote here, so it's a bit nicer. So, what's the goal here? Right, so we are gonna specify it as let's make a blueprint debugging easier. That's the goal of this plugin, right? Now we got it specified. We set ourselves the mission we're going on. So let's try to Oh, come on. Oh, it doesn't let me do it here. Interesting. So now, what it's actually supposed to be, can I close it now? Yeah, okay, it does work normally. Good. I think that's the actual mission though. I wanted to separate it. So this one is gonna be just our goal. Make blueprint debugging easier by simplifying. What are we actually simplifying? I was playing front local chicken. Okay. In cinema, it was so good. Reviews are shitting on it, but I found socio-cultural it was so hilarious. Okay, yeah, gotcha. It tends to be like that. I have to, I don't know, dude. Reviews on movies, and sometimes even on games, or reviews on anything for that matter, tends to usually not be really worthwhile looking at when you think about it. Because you can, I think what's the only strategy that you can kind of employ is to just look at, have your favorite reviewers or people who critique stuff or whatnot, and just pay attention to them. Because if you look at consensus, then if you look at like average opinion of everyone, then you are gonna get exactly that. You're gonna get average opinion on everyone. You can just as well ask ChatGPT for something like that. So it's usually just looking at review score that's consensus of everyone is pretty useless, because it's like you take the extremes on both ends, just average it out, and you always end up somewhere in the middle. So vast majority of the movies are gonna be somewhere between 4 to 8 out of 4 to 7 out of 10 probably, because that's how people are, right? Different people like different things. So, but I have not watched that. Is it a new movie? That sounds interesting. Okay. May wanna look at it. There's a lot of Czech movies that I would love to watch with my partner, but she doesn't speak Czech, obviously. So we can watch that. It's actually really difficult to show someone Czech things, because there is just no translating it to other languages. It's like we just don't do subtitles. We don't export anything. So I have a really hard time. Hard time like showing. I would love to show her, for example, Zimmerman. All these Zimmerman shows, I love them. It's really fun. Very similar to British dark humor, but it's just not translated. It just doesn't exist. So it's really weird coming from like a language that's like from a country that speaks a very different language than everyone else. Well, at least than other foreign language families. And not being able to just share it at all, because nothing, well, vast majority of things made in Czech just does not get any, even English subtitles. Just no one does that. It's pretty annoying. Maybe ChatGPT is gonna help with that, or like some machine learning algorithm is gonna be able to generate in runtime. It's actually getting pretty good. YouTube is testing some stuff. I don't know if you have seen it, guys, but YouTube is doing a runtime translation. So, and I don't mean text, I mean voice. So for example, I would speak normally in English, or I could speak in Czech or any other language, and you would be able to pick which language you want me to hear speaking, and the language model would automatically translate it, and in runtime it would make it sound like I'm speaking that language with like every grammatically correct and everything. It's actually really impressive. It's probably gonna take time, because this is computationally pretty expensive. So it's gonna take some time before we're gonna be able to actually do it. But maybe I could run it locally just for movies I wanna watch. Could maybe work. So we are definitely gonna be able to very soon have real-time translation for everything. Soon means years. I don't know what soon exactly means. I don't know. I'm not telling you it's gonna be next month, but there are definitely pretty cool use cases for something like that. And you can even already see it if you're like scrolling through some of the Meta social medias, or I think in other social media as well. They let you translate directly. Just click on the post, translate, and just let you translate it directly. So the same thing we will be able to soon do with voice in runtime, which is pretty cool. So yeah, maybe we're gonna get there. Well, pretty cool. It's new. Okay, cool. I'm gonna try to give it a try. That again, it's I got like million movies that I wanna watch, and even more games. So it's probably gonna take me some time. But yeah, that does sound interesting. What are we actually simplifying? Let's say simplifying. Making it easier. I think it's whenever I'm starting some plugin or something I wanna do. Oh, fucking hell! Just kicked my mouse. Sorry about that. Just I'm trying to figure out if I can easier state what I'm actually trying to do. It's gonna be much easier to figure out the decisions around it. You can kind of think about just setting up axioms for what needs to be done. This actually doesn't need to be here though. Pastra to display information. I think that's a good way to phrase it. I'm gonna probably rephrase it later, but this is a good way to do it. I don't care about opinions and reviews. Mostly, usually just taking suggestions. I watch a movie and I try to get familiar with the director's material, so I know what they're going for. Gotcha. That makes sense. I think your approach is always going to be probably fundamentally pretty different from how everyone else does it, because you are like super deep into movies. In the same way as like how I'm going to be looking at games is going to be always very different how normal consumers looks at games. But yeah, that makes a lot of sense. That's probably a pretty good approach. I guess I do something similar with games. So let's call it. This one is gonna be better prints. Overwatch has really bad reviews, the worst reviews. It's not a bad game. I mean, you mean Overwatch 2, right? You don't mean Overwatch 1. I used to play a lot of Overwatch. Super fun. Yes, let's go. Let's go, horse. Yeah, we should play Overwatch again. Jeez, it was so much fun. Yeah, I have heard that. I think the Overwatch 2 got such a bad rep and bad reviews, not really because it's a bad game, but because people expected something. People basically expected Overwatch 2 and they got Overwatch 1.1. Right, they just got a reskin version of Overwatch with few updates. I have not played it though myself, so I'm only actually reflecting to what I know is an average opinion. Or common opinion. So just take it with a bit of a caveat. But I think the main issue there was really a mismatch of expectations. That people wanted a new game or like really improved Overwatch, and they got Overwatch that was slightly better. That basically what could have been an update instead of a new game. And Blizzard was asking for a whole new game for it. It was for a whole new price for it. I think they did, right? Yeah, I don't think Overwatch 1 owners got an automatic upgrade. I don't think that was the case. So let's start this. Includes append, color, and key in the function. So we wanna figure out how to automate the key a little bit more. So let me just put here a bit of a to do. So this is gonna be figure out key inputting. Oh yeah, I was thinking about doing this, but I don't think I'm gonna actually do that. That makes sense. I'm gonna just keep it separate because this doesn't go under print string. Reinforcing the value, that's basically what this is. Categories would be also really good. Yeah, so I wanted to, together with this, I wanted to do some basically enumeration that you could use to switch it on and off. So imagine that you have a, let's say, so we would have a widget utility that lets you switch, lets you display only specific category of debugs, because when you have a complex enough game, you end up doing this by yourself anyway. So just having it as part of a plugin would make it much easier. It's okay, horse is playable. This is the most important part. It's still fun, but some new modes has been added, but I'm not that deep in the game. Still fun for casual playing. Gotcha. Yeah, I kind of figured it's gonna be something that seems like an update, not a new game. Okay, I should probably try it just to see. I have not even tried a CS:GO 2 yet. I don't think I did. Maybe I haven't downloaded it, I just haven't tried it. God, I hate CS:GO. Such a horrible game. It's like the whole game has such a Stockholm syndrome. Yeah, but this is not gonna go under variants. Yeah. Why did I capitalize display here? It doesn't make much sense. Input. So let's see this. Got out categories. Categories for strings. How is that gonna work? This plugin is gonna be a lot about research for me, just figuring out how Unreal and C++ is handling these things on the backend. But that's good. I need to understand this better. I don't need to, but I want to. Opinion on Visual Pro. Zach is right. I mean, I don't know if you have watched Zuckerberg's review. It's pretty funny. Mark Zuckerberg did a review on a Apple Vision Pro, and he's completely right. It's shit horse. It's like completely horse shit. Like for any possible use cases that people use VR for now, it's horrible. It's not even a question. I guess if you want a fancy thing that can let you watch movies, then that could be useful. But for that price, you can buy a really fancy projector, and you can watch it with your friends as well. So I don't know, man. It seems completely worthless. No controllers, crazy. The cost like what, 3.5k, right? No, Quest 3 costs like 400 to 500, something like that. Buy 5 of them and still have a bunch of money. So like, let's say you do this, like you buy 4 Quest 3s, and you can buy for each of them a bunch of games that you can play with your friends. It's just not even a question. Depends. If I want to be a little bit more objective and not let my hate of Apple take over too much, if you care about gaming, it's completely useless. There's nothing good about it if you care about gaming for VR, and that's the main use case that people use for VR right now. Right? They game on it. If you care about maybe working in it, but even that, I don't think it lets you use multiple displays, so it's pretty pointless. It doesn't work with anything other than Mac, and I would really not want to work on Mac. If you are not in the Apple ecosystem, it's completely useless. So unless you want to be in the Apple ecosystem and you really want to like use it just for watching media, so that means movies, it's pointless. It's completely useless. It's just like, nah. I see. Maybe if they opened the platform a little bit, let some developers develop on it, because you can't do that right now, which is really funny, by the way, guys. It's like they let the developers publish on it, but the vast majority of the developers, like big developers, so that means Netflix, YouTube, huge platforms, just don't even put their apps on it. They just completely said that, hey, yeah, that will not happen there. It's they just, I don't know if they fucked it up. It's not true, because a bunch of fanboys are gonna buy it anyway. But that's what Apple lives on, right? Fanboys. It has a nice screen. That's debatable. It has higher resolution. I have not tried it myself though. I want to be clear about that, right? So to take with all that with this fact in mind. So it has higher resolution. It has lower FOV. So that's something to keep in mind. I think it's debatable to say that has nice screen. That it has nicer screen. Because Quest 3 has a really nice screen. So if I had chance to compare them one by one, then I mean I assume it's nice. But the thing is kind of like if you bought a Meta device for $3,500, you can bet it's gonna have really nice screen. So like comparing a screen of Quest 3 for $500 and comparing a screen of the Apple Vision Pro for $3,500, that's not even comparable. Like you are not comparing two devices. You are comparing two completely different price points. That's like comparing your phone with I don't know, $4,000 PC. Like no shit, the PC is gonna have much better display and much better specs. It's just that it's completely different range. So I think the argument of that having a nicer screen is not. It's kind of stupid. It's completely pointless because if we are talking about the same price point, they don't even. It's not even comparable. So it has way less use cases, it has no games on it, it doesn't let you use controllers, and it's a lot more expensive. Not much going for it. On the floor laughing, just casually stated why it is better for fraction of the cost. Yeah, it's just he completely destroyed them. I think Zuckerberg really destroyed them completely. If you care about making bad financial decisions, maybe. If you care about making bad financial decisions, then you buy anything Apple. If it had more function, it would be worth it, maybe. Yeah, but it doesn't. And Apple doesn't let anyone develop for it, so... Like, if I had the money to buy one, I would wait a year or two for this. Yeah, but Apple doesn't let devs working on it. That's the problem. And also they are being pretentious pricks as always. They just they don't let anyone call it you cannot release a game that's virtual reality on Apple Vision Pro. You have to call it I think it was like what the fuck are they using as term? Immersive reality or some nonsense like this. I don't think they even used mixed reality. They just basically use the exact same term everyone is using for mixed reality or VR, and they just completely renamed it. It's just I would not want to have anything to do with a company so pretentious. They just call it something else because it's Apple, not because there is any sense in naming it something else. Because I have seen a YouTuber making an app a few days ago. I thought everyone could. If you can get it approved, but you have very strong restrictions on what you can actually do. And also Apple is gonna be completely kicked out from Europe, so who knows. I don't know how much you're paying attention to that, but basically European Union is slapping Apple over the ass multiple times lately because they are breaking all possible laws they can. They are insane monopoly. So nope, not gonna happen. Apple basically just locked a bunch of features for European iPhones. So, yep, because Apple refuses to comply with laws, which is illegal, as we know. It's not much of a question. But I have to be like, I am very biased against Apple. I really dislike Apple for everything they stand for. So just be aware of all that while you hear me here complaining. I think they have some internal device for that, but you cannot use any of the common engines. So what you gonna do about it? Common W Europe. Yeah, exactly. I am very happy for living in Europe. Really can't complain. I mean, who wouldn't be? Like, you can travel to any country without any restrictions. Everything for everywhere pay with the same currency. Which I don't mean euro necessarily. I mean, like, you can use your credit card for anything and it automatically transfers itself. No one is stopping you. Like, dude, living in Europe is an amazing thing. Maybe 9 videos to react from Beyond Fireship. It's 9 minutes long. Okay, when was it released? I don't react to YouTube videos unless they are at least 2 weeks old, because I think it's a bit unfair towards people who published it. So let me know how old that is. because most YouTube videos get a vast majority of their views within like first 1 to 2 weeks. So if you're reacting to it, then you're kind of stealing views from it. I don't want to do that. So maybe after it's a bit older, because I think it's probably gonna be still pretty new. Okay, then we can watch it like the week or 2 from now. But we have a bunch of articles to look at today, so it's gonna be fun. What's the time? Yep. Better print string, include append, color, and key in function. Print string to screen and lock. This should be all with checkboxes. Wait, I can just note it here. Categories for strings. I'm gonna set a widget for it. Ideally, you want to have enumeration for it as well. And that's our categories. I'm just gonna note our keyboard. New print string lock. I think there could be a variant that's like double print string or better triple print string, so you can include there multiple of them, so you don't have to push there all the appends. I mean, we can see how it goes. Just gonna be using it for a bit, and depending on that, I'm gonna see. Print in, that makes sense. Wait, this still goes under. No, wait, it doesn't actually. Brave is the best browser available. Haven't used it. Don't know. Maybe possible. I'm getting a bit annoyed with Chrome, so maybe I'm gonna switch to something. Chrome has been so slow lately. Inputting out categories for strings. What else? Okay, we need a printing to lock slash screen. What does the default print string do that we can steal? Duration, display time. Built-in ad blocker and VPN. That's nice. Don't quite have a need for any VPN though. Why would I need VPN? Cares about user data? Many companies say they care about user data, and rarely do they mean it. Protected, yeah. You know who also says that they protect users' data? WhatsApp. And do you know who owns WhatsApp? Zuckerberg. Facebook. So I don't know how much I want to play with that one. I'm not saying they don't. I'm just saying that is very, very common narrative. Literally every tech company is claiming to care about users' data. It's more of a social signaling rather than anything at this point. What else would be useful? Debug. And we use breakpoints. Is there anything we can do with breakpoints? Because those are pretty fundamentally different. Apple says that too, exactly. Apple says that too, so they can sell to more, so they can sell their own ads. It was so hilarious watching it in action, because Apple was literally claiming that they don't allow a Facebook to collect data, or other social media to collect data, and right after that they started selling their own Apple ads. And I wonder, how do they get data for those Apple ads targeting? So strange if they care so much about their user privacy. That's pretty typical behavior. Apple is not the only one guilty, but I don't necessarily. What's the issue there? I don't think really is that Apple is necessarily worse than other tech companies. The problem is that Apple is constantly claiming they are better, and they are just not. They are way more louder and they are pretending to be good guys, which is way more irritating to me than just not saying anything. It's like look at how bad everyone else is, just don't look how bad we are. It's a bit so silly. Okay. What else could we do? So let's specify here a little bit this thing. So we want to simplify node, because default node is actually a bit annoying. So we can do here a draw box, and you have to have a that's even out. That's wrong. Draw box even. Draw debug box. You have to do a bunch of stuff that are really annoying that you don't want to usually handle when you are that you want to mess with when you are working with draw debug box. So I think it would be useful to run it on timer. So simplify. Wait, what's happening here? Simplify node. What else do we want to do here? I think we can do like automatically update location. So what I mean by that, I want to do something like I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but basically you tell it to draw debug box on a specific actor and keep drawing it while the actor is moving. It could be really useful for tracking. What else would I go through when I'm just working on something? What do you think, guys? Do you have anything? Wait, that's not what I wanted. Do you have anything that would be make when you are like writing something or doing a blueprint code and you want to and you need to debug it or something is wrong, you need some way to display stuff. What do you usually get stuck on? What do you think would be very helpful? Remember, guys, these plugins are mainly aimed for you, right? They're supposed to help you. So if you have ideas that you think that would be helpful, then it's a good time to say it. Let's see. Okay, I think this would be good. It's probably not too helpful. So let's try to imagine the scenario, right? Okay, let's write some super simple features, like something very very basic. So okay, let's say I have here the character. I'm already printing something on screen, so I want to know where my character is. So if I wanted to, for example, have here a I mean, we can do it even around our third person. So let's say I would like to highlight where my character is. So I'm gonna draw a debug box. It's gonna be around the character. Oh, come on, not you two. We're gonna get here a wallet location. That's our center. Let's say this is gonna be about 10, 10, 40. It has no duration, but thickness is like 2. I'd do something like this. Cool. Okay. Now we have we need to hide it up. So okay, adjustment. I think just adding here some automatic adjustment of the center is probably gonna be useful. So let's say we wanna raise this to about 100 and increase this scale to like 30 times 30 and 60. Yeah, so we basically want to simplify to do this process just with one node and not being forced to have it on event tick. Right? We can do this, and when I'm a supplier just like looking around, I want to track the object that may be difficult to spot, and I want to be able to highlight it like this. That's useful. That's very useful. Maybe one thing that could be useful is to set a object, so spawnable, attachable. That's a lot of able stuff. Spawnable, attachable object that can be seen through walls and geometry. I think that could be pretty useful. If I do here something like this, it's gonna leave a somewhat annoying spar behind it. How do we call this? Somewhat annoying echo after it. I guess echo is a good word. There we go, which is kind of cool. But honestly, being able to draw path may be pretty useful. What do you think about it? You may want to draw a path. Kiana, are you still here? Just thought of something. Just let me know if you are still here. I can text you later if you're not, so no worries. I mean, you can hear that if you're not here. Nice. Amazing. Such an amazing speaker. Are you happy with me, guys? Okay. So draw. This is gonna be kind of similar to this. So draw permanent. Yes, okay. You free tomorrow evening? Like, I don't know, from like 9. Can chat. Makina, with your lovely voice in my ears. Well, that's lovely. Wow. Ooh, I'm blushing. I'm not saying anything, but I'm alone tonight, so. So get print string, print. I think you need print string. What are the variables that could be useful to print? Wait, I don't create variables like this. How do I create variables? Boolean. I mean, I guess we can print Boolean, but that's pretty pointless. Printing transform could be useful. Because printing transform and vector. Transform itself is going to be probably useful because that we can format properly. But other than that, it's... am I helping other students on set for tomorrow? Okay, no worries then. I'm gonna text you about the Lost Harmony trailer just so you can figure it out. But no problem. No worries, we're gonna figure it out. Well, hope you're gonna have a good time then. Gonna be on set since until Friday. That's gonna be a while. So hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we're gonna do here a print transform. Wait, no, this is wrong. Variants. So this is gonna be print float, int, and print transform. Can we print structure? Damn, that could be cool. I wanna look into it if that's possible. Because that could be really useful. Printing array would be useful while I'm at it. I guess it's not that common, but print array. I think what would be useful is to have some sort of a like floating text. Like imagine that you have an object that you can automatically set to attach to something, and it will like update state from within it. But that's effectively print string. But you may want to see it in a 3D space. So how could we do that? I can just see if there is some like good way to do it. So oh, come on. 3D text to attach to object and display state. Because the main issue with printing things on a string, something like that, is that it becomes problematic when we have a lot of actors representing the same thing. So let's say that I have like an AI actor that has some behavior. So I want to print AI behavior, blah, blah, blah. Great, right? Super simple. The problem is if you have 50 of them, so you're gonna start pretty badly overlapping each other, or you are gonna end up here with 50 print strings, which is not very good. So I'm gonna have to find some, gonna probably need some, so we need basically something that lets you debug information about a specific object inside the game, even in case that you have like 50 of them. Maybe you could use a widget utility for it. That could potentially work. Yes, I mainly needed is better debugs for myself, and then that's why I'm making this plugin right now, because I just basically need it. And now I can also just have it available for Patreons. So okay, let's see. So maybe let's call it like a info widget utility. Is two else? No, never mind. I just can't write. No, I was right the first time. Info widget utility that shows info about object after clicking on it. And here, something like this would update on click. That's pretty straightforward. But we mainly want this to... Do we want it? Update on click and... We want to maybe have a component to specify it. How are we gonna specify the actual parameters that should be displayed? So specify parameters to display component. Maybe. Okay, what else could I do? I got some programming the game, got a bunch of actors running around, and I need to I need to figure out what each of them is doing, and I also need to... What else do I need to do? I need to print some information about them. I need to display it, and to display it in log, and to display it on the screen. What else may I need to do? I think I had here a draw permanent, but okay, I think we got also some pretty good list of stuff to do. So I'm gonna first implement all of these, see how it goes and how helpful it is. And I think this is a plugin that's gonna be very much developing as I'm working, because it's gonna very much depend on what I need to do. Because, you know, all these ideas is like, what do I need at the moment, I can figure out while I'm working. So for that, it's gonna be pretty useful. Okay, cool. All right, what's the time? It's 9:46. Pretty decent. So, you know what, guys? I'm gonna be back in like 5 minutes. And while I'm back, you can just, by the way, you can guys see behind me there is a dead dog. It's just being dead. Hey. Wait, I have to go the other way around. Let's say something. No, don't worry about it. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna disappear for like 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna be back. And we can look at some articles. We can do some reactions, some YouTube content for all the YouTube viewers. And then we are gonna play Palworld. Okay, so be back in like 3 to 5 minutes. Alrighty, I'm back. Back again. Okay, cool. So let's see. Let's see what we're gonna have a look at. So we have here about 3 or 4 articles. Jesus, 5? No, 3. Okay, about 3 articles that I wanted to have a look at. So we can do that, and then play Palworld. So let's see. We have here a art and science of shaders in video games. Then we have here a can you guess which game was made with Unity or Unreal? That's gonna be a fun one. Or what do we have here next? Game design, some difficulties where we can publish games for free. And then we got here one more, which is some fundamentals of game design again. But it's pretty long, so I don't know if we want to dive into that today. What do you think, guys? Any preference in what we're gonna start with? I don't even get any poll on YouTube today, so let's see. What can we do here as a poll? Poll, or pool. Let's get here a top chat now. Can add here something. Engage your audience. How do I engage you guys? It's gonna be a question, and this is gonna be a answer, and this is gonna be a different answer. Amazing. I'm such a comedian. Great. Now you got here questions and answer, and then different answer. Gosh, I'm so funny. All right. So let's see what we can actually have a look at. So how do I sound here? I can probably make myself slightly bigger for recording for YouTube. That usually makes more sense. I don't want to overdo it, but something like this. Well, hey guys, do you like me like this? And then let's start with something just nice and chill. So we got here a 3 places to publish your game. If I have this like this, how does my camera stand? It's covering text, fuck. Okay, I can do something like this. It shouldn't cover anything because they filter it, right? Oh no, spoilers. Okay, so let's see. So 3 places where you would publish your game. It was horrible intro. That was not an intro. What you use? What do you use? How do I stream? It's a restream. The restream is probably the most popular. It's paid, but it's pretty good. I think you may use a free version only, actually. And it'll be fine if you don't wanna worry about it too much. Yep. Okay. So, headphones on and off. Let's keep headphones on. Give me more like tech vibe. Alrighty. You two ready? Great. I got a green flag from both of them. So let's see. We were talking about a little bit how to structure the videos a bit more. So let's try to not have videos as hyped up as we were like forcing on until now, because it doesn't seem to really work very well. So let's try to just go at it pretty chill, pretty nice. We're gonna just read through the article, see what we can learn there, and then that's about it. So let's see. We're gonna find a bit more interesting style. The new videos that were released on channel are doing actually much better than the previous ones. So we're doing better, but we always can do even better, right? So let's see about it. So. All right, so let's have a look. Let's have a look at free play. I'm just starting to hype it up again. It's like a disease. I have to stop getting back into the persona. Let's really try to do it as naturally as possible. Remember, guys, be natural, as little robotic as possible. All right. So, all right. Okay, let's have a look at 3 places where you can publish your game. It's an article we are getting from Medium, and you have a link in description if you are interested to read it for yourself. So, or you can wait here and fuck, that one was messed up. We don't want that. So what we want is basically alright. I messed up the intro. Okay. Alright, let's have a look at 3 places where you can publish your games. We are reading it from the Medium article, and you have a link for it in the description. You can watch it, you can go read it yourself, or just listen to me reading it with my lovely voice. So, first of all, are you an indie game developer looking for a platform to upload and distribute your free game? Look no further, as there are several options available to you. As an indie game developer, you have several options when it comes to uploading and distributing your free game. The platform you choose will depend on your preference and the audience you want to reach. That's reasonable. So, like, so far we just want to figure out who are we trying to reach, and based on that we're gonna choose the platform. So, you know, if you are trying to reach I don't know, women, don't be on the internet or something like that. The platform we choose, well, blah, blah, blah. Each platform has its own unique features and community, so it's important to do your research and choose the one that best suits your needs. Some platforms may offer more customization options for your game page, while others may have a larger audience. It's important to evaluate different options and weigh pros and cons. Okay, Jesus, this is ChatGPT article again, isn't it? I can smell it at this point. Who was it written by? Let's also figure this out. It was probably written by some article that wants us to distribute on them. Of course it is. So it's an open cross-platform software distribution service. So it's an ad. Let's be clear about this one. I wish this was more disclosed. How are these things not disclosed? So this is just basically a platform that lets distribute a game. They distribute VR games as well. Okay. Trade and resell games when you are done with them. Well, that sounds lovely and illegal. So let's see about that. Is this crypto exchange? This does look crypto. Okay, let's give them some time to cook. Let's see. So number 1 is H, and yep, that is absolutely what you are gonna go with, honestly. If you are thinking about releasing a game for free, you can use Steam if you don't mind paying $100. But if you want to have as frictionless as possible workflow, I just want to get it out there, H is absolutely for you. So one popular platform for indie game developers is itch.io. This platform allows you to easily upload and distribute your games, as well as track download statistics and receive feedback from players. Itch.io also has a built-in payment system, so you can choose to accept donations for your games if you wish. Very much so. Yeah, people sometimes don't know that, but you can actually just sell your games on Itch. A very common strategy is, for example, you distribute your game on Steam. From Steam, you generate yourself a bunch of keys, and those keys you are allowed to, it's absolutely okay, you can legally sell those keys on Itch. And if you do that, they basically buy from you a Steam key, official Steam key. And they pay for you that normally bigger cut of the actual purchase goes to you, because you don't have to pay 30% to Steam, and they get the game up on Steam. So it's actually really good. Whenever you are releasing a game on Steam, there is nothing stopping you from having a page on Itch as well, and being able to distribute it there as well. So definitely something. Isotopic. Well, look at that. Who did write this article, I wonder, and it's right under Itch? Where have I seen this before? At least they did not, I think they did not put themselves first just because it would be way too obvious, but yeah, at least something. Alright, that is very clearly. How is this not disclosed? This should be so clearly disclosed. Another platform worth mentioning is Isotopic. Is it? A new open cross-platform game store, Isotopic offers, look at also at the length of the article for this and this. Isotopic offers a unique distribution system that is fully customizable, allowing you to publish limited collectible content and DLCs. That does sound like NFTs. And DLCs which can be traded between players. Players who buy games on Isotopic gains actual ownership of the digital product. Okay, let's clarify here prefix. I don't think NFTs and crypto is fundamentally bad. I actually do think there is a lot of potential in the technology. It's just that a lot of the projects that did that were very scammy, sadly enough. But I do think cryptography and NFTs have really good potential to do cool stuff in a game, in gaming, and in even outside of gaming as well. But yeah, they have such a bad rep. It's really sucks because there was so many scammers doing crypto content and crypto anything. Honestly, it was crypto anything, and it just did not end up going very well. Yep. So, yep. It's very difficult. Like, you cannot really market anything as crypto right now, or you are gonna get a lot of hate towards you. Isotopic is more than just a publishing platform. Yes, they want to make the world better. Every single thing wants to make the world better. Have you watched Silicon Valley, guys? I get Silicon Valley vibes from this. It also offers community of gamers, developers, eager to grow together, as well as marketing and networking and promotional opportunities. Let's see. Isotopic.io. Okay, let's try Google Trends. It's always good to verify these things, but yeah, this is... So this is gonna be apparently right under the H. Oops. H.io. Yeah. Not gonna lie, guys, this is probably not gonna fly. H is getting so much more popular now. That's really good. I'm so happy for H. H is really great platform for distributing your games, or just trying to distribute your games, just giving it to few people who may wanna try it. That's not very good. Community of gamers. Looks like your community of gamers is not Googling your platform. GameJolt, another platform to consider is GameJolt. Let's add it here. Let's add it for comparison, guys. Let's actually figure out how popular these things are. Quite popular. Quite popular. Look at that. Definitely not as much as Joe as H, but it is up there. If I remember correctly, this GameJolt is mainly for a web-based games. Or maybe I'm mixing it up. I may be mixing it up. But I think that a lot of these, except Itch, I think vast majority of the games are aimed more at a web browser-based games, which sadly enough, we with Unreal cannot really use. It sucks. The HTML export was deprecated a long time ago from Unreal, and it's never gonna be probably able. We are probably never gonna see that again, so that sucks. Kongregate is another website that focuses on hosting free online games. It's a great place to upload your game if you are looking to reach a wider audience. Kongregate also has a built-in payment system, so you can choose to accept donations for game. I think GameJolt does also something like that. Or they have, how are they monetizing with ads? Okay, they are monetizing with advertisement. So it's probably, I would assume that developers get cut from it as well, but I'm not too familiar actually. Let's add here a Congregate. I'm familiar with all of them except the Isotopic here, of course. I think all of them should be at least on the map. Oh, Congregate was so big. That's interesting. Congregate. Was it .com? Yeah. Let's try to add it with the extensions as well. So we keep it about... Wait, disappear? Congregate. No, dude, let me write. .com. There we go. This is probably gonna get us a little bit better view into that. It was way more popular in the 2008 to 9, which would make sense because if they are aiming mainly at browser games, this is when Flash and browser games were so popular. I would say that now, unless you are doing a browser game, Itch is your best scenario. Always, if you are doing a browser game, then why not publish to all of them, right? Newgrounds is a website that hosts a free games, animations, and other forms of media created by users. It's a great place to upload your game if you are looking to reach a creative community. Newgrounds also has a built-in payment system, blah blah blah. Ultimately, ultimately, the platform you choose to upload your free games depends on your preference and the audience you want to reach. Each platform has its own unique features and community, so be sure to do your research. That's true. I would prefer this to be disclosed. It's like, I mean, it's very clear what this was written by, but yeah. Do we have any cool comments here? Very helpful, thanks. That was very spammy, thanks. Okay, let's add here the game jolt. I think game jolt is gonna be probably right after H. Wait, no, we already have game jolt. So we are missing this last one. Newgrounds. Newgrounds is gonna be up there. It's pretty popular. So let's see. Oh, Newgrounds was that big, really? Cool, did not know that. Damn, that was popular. Not anymore, as we can see here, but if we look at something more like past 5 years, itch is gonna be clear winner. But interesting. So Newgrounds used to be biggest. Oh wait, I messed up here. It's still probably gonna be about the same, but yeah. So there we have it, guys. Scientifically proven that by far the best platform to release your free games is gonna be itch.io when it comes to popularity and giving you a flexibility to release. Sometimes there is a argument to say to release on like a new platforms. Like for example, this isotropic promoted here has potentially some advantages. Like it's a growing platform, there's gonna be way less competition. If you think that you are making a game that will fit there actually may be an argument for releasing it there. I would probably not do it, but it's probably something to consider. Either way, I would say if you're releasing a free game, either if you want to spend $100, you release it on Steam because the audience is biggest by far. If you don't want to spend any money and you want to customize it a lot, then don't want to like worry about restrictions and anything, you just want to use Itch. So there we have it, Itch. See you around. Okay. Get ourselves our first video. Good. That was some really quick comparison. I don't think it was very good material for video, but hey, it was good warm-up video. So let's see what we have here next. We have here a art and science of shaders in video games. Do we want to learn about shaders? And we are using Unreal for that. So let's see, what can we get from it? What's the time? 1:45. All right. Alrighty. Wait, I'm dragging from the wrong page. So, let's see. Over here, art and science and shaders. All right, let's have a look. So art and science, So let's figure out. It is Amir and game dev news tips. Let's see what this is about. Seems like something I'm gonna probably follow because it looks like I'm gonna be able to learn. Why is 5.4 gonna be okay? I am kind of interested in this, but these are all based on assumptions. I mean, none of it is proven. It's been proven yet. What is GDC? GDC is supposed to be pretty soon. And Epic is gonna have a huge event live streamed, hopefully. So if it will be the case, I can try to plan a live stream around the time. So we can maybe watch it together. Let's see if that's gonna work. Alright. Let's see. So let's learn about art and science of video game shaders. What are shaders? Well, if you're working with Unreal, those are your materials. It's basically any visuals that you have on your models. You have your 3D model, and on top of that, you have some material or shader that basically dictates how it looks like. So let's have a look at it. Look at what we have suggested here. So in the world of video game development, creating immersive and visually stunning environments is a top priority. That's not true. Okay, we got the first sentence and already wrong, disagree, completely, disgusting, horrible, I'm leaving. No, it is somewhat important, like not gonna lie. There is a pretty strong argument that making your game immersive and visually stunning is really important, but we also have a lot of games that where visuals actually don't matter at all, and they are really successful and very popular. So it is important, but it's certainly not a top priority. It very much depends on the kind of a game. As far as I'm concerned, gameplay is always king, and when it comes to games, what should be always the top priority is how fun is it to play it, and then everything else. So this is just, no, I disagree completely. Let's see. Let's continue though. Let's give them time. Just had to have here a bit of a run right from the start. All right. One of the most essential tools in a developer's arsenal for achieving this goal is shaders. Like the only field tool we got. Shaders are powerful pieces of code that dictate how light interacts with the objects in the game. That's actually a really good way to describe it. I like that. Giving a rise to breathtaking visuals. In this block, we will explore the role of shaders in video games and introduce related software and utility tools that contribute to crafting these captivating worlds. Alright. The magic of shaders. Let's learn about it. What do we have here as a material, by the way? It's just super basic stuff. Okay, just some translucency with a base color. Cool. The magic of shaders. Shaders are specialized programs that runs on computer's GPU. They define the appearance of materials and behavior of light and the rendering of effects in real time. Essentially, they are responsible for what you see on your screen in a video game. Finally, good description. I don't have much to complain about there. Especially the part like, yes, this is what you want to focus on. It is rendered by GPU. That's why you also want to outsource as many stuff to your GPU whenever you are writing something. So if you can do animation inside materials, that is probably a really good argument to do it there. If it's something where you don't care about collisions, you can just let your shaders handle it. There's a really good argument for to do that, because your GPU has a lot more optimized to compute these kind of things than your CPU. Vertex shaders, these handle the position of vertexes in 3D space. They transform the shape and the position of the object in game world. Less commonly used, and it depends what you are doing, but yes, absolutely, that is the case. Yeah, fragment shaders or the pixel shaders dictate the color of individual pixels, determining how an object appears when rendered. That's probably what you are thinking more when you are talking about shaders, usually. But both of them work very much together, just to be clear. It's just that usually people focus on the pixel shaders. Let's have a look. Types of shaders. We got here a vertex shaders, which we just covered, so we are covering it again, apparently. Are responsible for transforming the 3D position of vertexes and generating 2D screen coordinates. Very much so here, we are gonna upscale, downscale, all this nicely done with a simple time node running on a fraction and sinus. And it's being multiplied by -10 to figure out how much it should scale, and multiplied by a normals on the vertical shader, it looks like, if I see it correctly. And it gives you this really cool effect. Very nice. I like to usually the simplest way how you go about it is just with this process you get like time and sign, and just let transition between up and down between like different vector informations. Just simple animations like that. It's gonna help you a lot, especially if you like imagine that you are doing something like you need a rotation of the wheel, or you need something like moving up and down of whatever animation, or moving between two vectors. You can very easily do that with materials, especially if it's something that player doesn't interact with and you don't care about collisions, and you're gonna save yourself a lot of performance. Fragment shaders or pixel shaders. I have not quite heard fragment shaders yet, actually. I'm very much used to hearing about it as pixel shaders. And usually, you just to be clear, usually like all of that is handled inside one material if we are talking about Unreal. So it's not like you have these two materials that do these things. Determine the final color of each pixel on the screen. They control how materials appear, including shading and reflection and refraction. Reflection and refraction. Look at that. I'm gonna pretend I know what they mean. Or what's the difference? a retropixel shader and retropixel an easy to apply shader effect. Okay, I don't know what this point demonstrates, but yes, indeed. All right. Geometry shaders, those are again vertex shaders, pretty much, just fancy. They can manipulate primitive shapes, adding complexity to objects in real time. Grass is usually very common. You see usually trees. Like imagine that trees are just waving like in the wind and things like that. That's almost always handled by this process of geometry shaders, which is modifying a vertex shaders. Compute shaders handle general purpose computation tasks that are used for non-graphic processes such as physics simulations. Oh, those are done with shaders? Are you sure? This is Berlin noise, it looks like. But I don't quite understand what this topic means. Shading languages, we have it HLSL, which is high-level shading language, primarily used with DirectX and Windows, JLS for OpenGL, and C for graphics, developed by NVIDIA using graphics programming. I am less familiar with CG, but it may be that I am just using it, not being aware of it. Either way, when you are writing a material inside Unreal, you are basically doing similar things as you are doing with Blueprint, right? So you are using nodes to generate a HLSL code. I think it's HSL in Unreal, yeah. Then that gets, so you basically do that material, it gets translated into HLSL, and then that's actually being processed by GPU. Right. So our shader development software is a Unity shader graph, visual node-based editor for beginners, Unreal Engine material editor, Unreal offer material editor. It's kind of the same thing, just a lot more advanced. Shader Toy, an online platform for experimenting with shaders and sharing them with community. I'm actually not familiar with that, but let's have a look. It's in beta. Wait, was it written by now? Okay, I'm just being a bit cautious here. I've seen this before. Okay, we're running into some pretty strange stuff here. What is this? What am I looking at? Okay. Oh, this is running in the browser. Oh, this is pretty cool. Also, this is using to generate the actual space. Image vector, vector fragmenting color. Cool. That is very lovely. It's spread into different buffers. Okay, here we are actually looking at what we need to look at. We have here some variables. This is HLSL, right? I'm not too used to writing it myself, so I'm gonna just guess that is the case. That is certainly interesting. Okay, I'm gonna dive into this shader toy later. This is interesting. Saving it, guys. All right. Now, utility software for textures and assets. Usually how you would go about it is you are gonna actually put the shader and material together inside something like Unreal, and you are gonna input there either generated textures, so for example noise, like Berlin noise, or any other, I guess Freshnel could be used as a texture generated stuff, as texture generated utility, or you are gonna very likely have some texture generated by Paint, Substance Painter Designer, anything else for that matter. And let's look at a future of shaders. Now we're getting into something interesting, so let's see. The future of shaders. As technology advances, so do shaders. I sure hope so. Real-time ray tracing techniques for achieving incredibly realistic lighting is becoming more accessible. Ray tracing shaders are used in modern games like a Cyberpunk 2077. Great game. And Minecraft. It just made me really love the contrast. Okay, so what are the thing, guys? Two games that show the highest level of visual fidelity in modern gaming. That's gonna be Cyberpunk and Minecraft. Important, really, really important. It's true though. It's so funny. The relentless pursuit of realism in gaming has led to the adoption of real-time ray tracing and groundbreaking technologies like Unreal's Engine Nanite. I think he may mean Lumen here, but that's fine. Nanite allows for film quality art to be imported directly into the engine, eliminating the need for time-consuming optimization. These innovations are redefining game development, pushing boundaries and blurring the line between the virtual and real worlds. I suppose. Okay, we did not learn that much, but thanks. I'm gonna still clap here. Can I clap here, please? Yep. Let's go. Let's go one more time. It's pretty well, pretty nicely written actually. I like it. Shaders are the artists and developers' tools for crafting stunning visuals in video games. They dictate how light interacts with materials and objects, providing the magic that immerses players into breathtaking worlds. Shaders have a bright future as advances in technology and real-time ray tracing promises even more realistic and immersive gaming experiences. With related software and utility tools, developers and artists have all they need to make their creative vision reality. Alright, cool. I followed already, so clap. Cool, cool. We are clapping here. Written by Amir. Well, thank you kindly, Amir. This was actually a somewhat nice article. I liked it. It was a good overview of why shaders are important and what the hell they are. So that was pretty nice. What would I mention here? One thing I I'm pretty happy about is that Cyberpunk now is gonna be switching to not Cyberpunk or CD Projekt Red, the studio behind Cyberpunk and Witcher. It's gonna be developing next project in Unreal, and they are gonna be bringing a lot of their know-how and how to make their games so beautiful. Because let's be real here, there is pretty. I wonder even if there is a game that looks better right now or that pushes visual fidelity further than Cyberpunk. While keeping a stable frame rate. Let's be real on that. we're gonna keep in mind the real-time rendering. So a lot of it is pretty cool. They are probably have some nice deal with Epic to bring a lot of these new things for Unreal into Unreal. So we are all gonna benefit from that, and that's pretty amazing. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, let's look forward to that. If you like the article, guys, you should go follow the writer here because it was quite insightful. Nicely in contrast with how much I complained about the first sentence. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's clap here. So that's it. See you around. Okay, guys, we got some more YouTube recorded. That's like 2 articles. I don't think the first one was pretty shitty, so I don't know if that's gonna end up actually being used. But it's fine. Let's see. We got this covered. Right. I don't want to hear myself. We can guess some. Guessing games. We can leave for some other. I think we can just go play some. What's the time? 10:30. Okay, let's just go play some. I've completely blanked out on Palworld. Let's go play Palworld. Okay. Let me just switch back to Bareback. I'm still here. I'm just gonna pretend like I'm not. Alright. I'm gonna have to change it on the page. On YouTube, I think it doesn't matter, but or does it? Can we change it on YouTube? I don't even know. Because I always stream just game development, so the category doesn't matter really. But on YouTube, on Twitch, I'm gonna actually need to change it. So first of all, let me switch back. Okay, so we're gonna switch to game capture. Oh, did it crash? The game just crashed when I started. That's nice. Can I play, please? Okay, it seems like we will be able to play. It's alright, guys. Need to enable sound here. Alrighty. We got this. Let me just switch Twitch that we are actually playing a Palworld, and then we can get to it. Okay. Cool. Can we change it here as well? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm finally on the start of the game. I started playing it like yesterday or the day before. Well, hello there, Lord26. You just came in time to play Palworld. I suppose that's nice. Okay. I think it's the stream Island. There we go. So just started playing it 2 days ago, something like that. I just downscale myself again. And now let's get to the word. Oh yes, enslaving another race so they can work for me. I'm actually liking it quite a bit. Quite a bit. I managed to die a few times last time, which was a bit embarrassing. But other than that, it's pretty nice. I can't complain too much. I think it feels very cozy. It's like a very relaxing game. I have it as part of a Epic, not Epic, the Xbox launcher, right? So I actually really enjoy it as just being able to, not having to pay for it, but still being able to enjoy it. I feel like that's also was the main reason why I did not complain too much about Starfield, even because I didn't have to pay for it, right? It was part of my the part of the free pack. Anything in the game is garbage? I don't think so. I think it's very nice actually. I don't think it's anything. Let me be clear. I don't think it's anything special. I think it's still fun though. It doesn't need to be anything special in order to be fun, right? So I find it very enjoyable. And I don't think it's necessarily original in any way. I don't. It's literally just taking a bunch of concepts from all the other games and just taking them. It's like a farming simulator game, right? And that's fun. I don't mind at all playing that. So if you're asking like whether it is overrated, kind of, yeah. But that doesn't really matter because it's fun. So let's go. I would definitely say it's not very. There is pretty much nothing original about it, right? Like it's a combination of Pokemon farming and survival games. But fundamentally, all the creative work is just copying and mixing other elements. So I find that pretty fine. So yep, don't hate it, enjoy it. Pretty cool. Okay, it's growing. Do I have to do and grow? Grow effect. A lot of things like it as well. Okay, that's good. That's good. I find it very cozy. Feels like the best possible way to describe it. It's just relaxing. So I'm gonna now probably be playing it always on the ends of the stream after everything else is done. Because it's just fun. Okay, we need more leather. I'm very much on the beginning though. Okay, that's wool, but we need leather. So wait, let's see. I'm gonna have to orient myself again. I wanna craft this for this nice creature I just got myself. Hunted it on the end last time, so let's spawn it. There you go. Hello, very cute box. Best games are never something unique. You need familiarity so that people can understand it. That's very true. That's really true. Yeah, there is a really good talk, and I forgot by whom. I know who it is, but I just don't remember his name. He wrote a very famous game design book, and that's about creativity and exploration. And basically, one of the really important point was that if you are trying to make a profitable game, you should not really try to make it creative. So there are very different. Those are just different approaches, right? If you are really trying to be original, it's very unlikely that it will be commercially viable. And commercially viable in this case just literally means a lot of people buying it. So if you want to have a game that, if you care about selling a lot of copies or having a game that has somewhat predictable purchasing, whatever, it's somewhat predictable how many people are gonna like it. You just have to basically copy things, and that's kind of how it is. Can I boost it? I mean, I can just put it closer. I can boost it as well though, but it's telling me that it's pretty loud actually. Okay, should be better. Okay. Oh, it can cook by breathing fire on it? That's so cute. See, this is everything I need for happiness. Alright. Now I can see it's broken as well, because it's showing me wrong icon, but that's fine. Alright, let's focus again. So, it seems like I cannot switch to... Okay, now it's switched. We need ladder. How do we get ladder? Not from here, apparently. Wait. Oh, it has the aiming at... Okay. No worries, man. Thank you for letting me know. So yeah, I would say striving for something original and striving for something creative are very, very different things. For creative things are usually not commercially very successful. Okay, you know what? Let's just go hunt. How many? How many arrows do I have? I have to get familiar with controls again. Just 3. Okay, that's not much. I need a bit more. I'm wondering. I'm trying to think about what would be a product, not even just a game, but a product that would be considered very creative and original, but was also commercially successful. Because when we are thinking about commercially successful games or any product, it's usually just a variation and iteration on already working content. So, for example, iPhone is an actually amazing example of that. iPhone was basically just putting what every single other phone does and put it together. Like Apple likes to pretend that they create something original, but the only thing Apple does is just take everything else. It was already working. That's very much what they do. The same thing with Samsungs. The same thing with PCs. Doom is probably... Doom basically just took all the other games and put it in 3D. Right? And then was I looking at Airy when deciding how to approach Lost Harmony? I don't know the game. Wait. Do I? No, Lost Harmony was actually... don't really expect Lost Harmony to be commercially successful, to be honest. Because... it's very unusual game. No, I have not even seen Airy until now. Actually, this is the first time I'm seeing it. So no, I was thinking about games like Journey is probably pretty clear example. Some other like cozy relaxing games, but no, Airy I have not even known until you mentioned it. I looked at other bird games later after developing it a lot for a while, but not really while developing it. Yeah, if I tried to make the game that has the highest likelihood of commercial success, Lost Harmony definitely would not be on the list. Okay, let's just grab them and let's go hunt now. We need to go hunt more foxes. So this should be able to let me teleport, right? Wait, while I'm at here, let me see, what do we need for upgrading the base? More pulse working and... okay, build... Oh, I need to level up, yeah, I remember now. Because I need to unlock a bunch of stuff. Scrusher, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna have to fast travel. That kind of works nicer because we need to kill bunch of foxes, so I can upgrade my own fox as well. Okay, wait, how do I... Okay, no, we do not want that. No, wait, how do I spawn them? There we go. Oh, excuse me. There we go. Oh, we got some of the other ones fighting on the side, or at least discovering us. This time I'm not actually trying to capture them, I just wanna kill them. So I can grab all these cores, because I need them. Catching 10 of each pal will give you the most boost. Okay, interesting. Maybe I should. I think someone here in the game mentioned it. Now I just need to kill a bunch of them. I mean, they are not dead apparently. They are just paralyzed, which is impressive after getting shot. But okay. Experience. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, right now I just want to actually get also a bunch of these cores. And I don't think I get that unless I actually kill, I guess not necessarily kill, but like can hunt down the animal. So I'm gonna have to hunt down a few of them first, and then I can start capturing them. They're so cute though, I really like them. It's kind of nice that you don't have to kill them, you just get paralyzed. Ah, there we go, look at that. Fire cores? Yes. Flame organs. There we get it. Flame organs, not fire core apparently. Yeah, I think it's like 5 or 6 of them, so I can turn this thing into a flamethrower. Nice. Alright, but mainly I wanted this. Which is very nice. And a baseball bat. That's also nice. Cool. I think we need a few more of them though. I want to keep crafting because I wanted to unlock this and I need 2 more flame organs. Oh, look at you. Oh, they are. Wait, is that mine? Never mind. Cancel attack. We don't want to kill this one. How is the flame fox sparks in the water? That does not make much sense to me. Yeah, I figured it out. They are slaves, we don't have to worry about it. It's impressive she manages to keep up that fire underwater though. Okay, we do not want to die. Okay, more penguins, but we need more foxes. No, these are not foxes. My fox just learned something apparently, that's nice. Got pretty low HP and that's risky. Let's see, can we find another fox somewhere here? I do have a roll. Yeah, I know, I just forgot how to do it. Wait, oh yeah, there we go. I don't know why, but for some reason I just got used to just jumping around in games rather than just rolling and using the game's features. Oh, look at this. What's that green thing there? I think that's another egg. Let's try to get it. Excuse me? Can I somehow climb up? Are you kidding me? Normally he just climbs on anything that moves and well, if it doesn't move. What happened? Wait, what? Oh, okay. Projectiles have humming? Okay, interesting. I didn't know that. How did I die right now? Wait, was that bug? Or did I actually mess up something? Let's go get it. Excuse me. What is this levitating thing? Well, let's hope we're gonna be able to get it. You had none? Wait, what do you mean I had none? Like a stamina? Message above? Okay, never mind. I was apparently just blind. It doesn't spawn in the middle of the water. That's nice. Wait, there is a shortcut to take all of that, I'm sure. Yep. There we go. Okay, let's try to hunt down more foxes. Maybe we need to equip a proper equipment. So, oh no, I do have the bow equipped. All right, any fox on the horizon? Oh, what is this? This is so cute. Okay, let's capture it. Okay, now that's too much. Yeah, you know, hunting with the fox is... Oh, it's bugged. No! Honestly, that ragdoll on them is so funny. Okay, let's go. Okay, that was too much. Yeah. I don't know what's so funny about them being dead, but it is really funny. Not gonna lie. Just recall it when I... Yeah, I suppose that's a good idea. That's actually quite a nice idea. I think this is the boss tower that I have somewhere in my tutorial. I like the architecture also. It's so nice, stylized and simplistic, but it's kind of nice. Let's see if we can get here another save point. How are we doing with a inventory? Wait, where do I see the inventory? Wait, I'm blind. Or is it I have to be in the inventory to see it? Oh, maybe it shows it only when I am over a certain threshold. Yeah. 270 out of 350. Yeah, I am not planning to go in at all. Don't worry. Also, what is that thing? There is so many pals, let's say. Let's not call them quite Pokemons yet. I mean, what do you mean Pokemons? It has nothing to do with Pokemons, right? I think I'm gonna just try to hunt down a lot more. Oh, what is this? This looks like something I cannot hunt down yet. Some people find the environment paths mismatched in terms of style. I don't think so, no. It has very Zelda. It has very much like a Nintendo-like Zelda vibe. Both of them. Like both the characters and the environment. Feels pretty fitting to me, honestly. I mean, it's clear. It's clearly a lot of them are asset packs. I would even say I recognize some of them. But I don't mind that. I think it's fine. I suppose I can kind of see it in the brightness of colors. When you're like in very dark environment like this, they feel like they are sticking out a little bit. But if I'm in the bright, but that's a contrast of colors. That's not really anything else. But I think that could be fixable pretty nicely just with some shader work. So, but for example, if we are here in the light areas, then I don't see that as an issue at all. In darker areas, I do see that as a contrast because they are still super bright. I think we can hunt this down. What do you think, guys? Let me try to capture this. 11. That seems pretty strong to me. And I think that if I'm gonna die here. Oh, look at this ape. Hello. Should the stat points? Yeah, I know. I see that. I just wasn't sure what I wanna use it for yet. Okay, let's go. I can probably increase our attack a little bit. I'm super weak. I'm gonna take this, thank you. I just need to find one more Firefox and then I have everything. I think to build my harness. Yes, just one more flame organ. Yeah, I usually like to play RPG games or games like this when not really choosing start points until later in the game when I know what I'm gonna do. Because here I like didn't choose for a while, and then a little bit later I just like was like, okay, yeah, this is becoming a problem. I need to increase this. So I like to rather play it as like choosing basically a little bit later after I figure out what it's actually useful for. For example, in this scene, if I'm just looking straight ahead, I don't see any conflict with how they look like. It looks great. Looks like they don't have shadows though. No, they do, just very light ones. But if I'm in the very much darker environment, like here, then I can kind of see that being somewhat on the face, let's say. May have called her back a little bit too soon. Oh, god damn it, yes. That was maybe too soon, but let's see. What's like the save percentage here? I wonder if these numbers are patched, by the way. I would probably say it was. Oh, just look. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's slacker. We don't want any slackers in my slave army. I mean, in my well-paid unionized workers. Oh, what is this? Don't worry, guys. All my pals are unionized and are properly paid. They definitely do not work for free. No need to worry, guys. It's fine. That's a very lovely tree. Attack seems a bit underpowered. Yeah. I do get that impression. It seems like focusing just on a better pulse and maybe upgrading items seems like a bad strategy. I kind of got that impression as well. Oh wait, there was something light here. But thank you for the tip. But I'm gonna be able to butcher them later. I sure hope so. Very nice, very nice. But I mean, actually, don't worry. They're really nice. They are getting well paid. Don't worry, guys. All good. I'm running out of stamina again, right? I would love to see how they set it up. How they set up behavior for them. Because this was made in Unreal, of course, we know that. It was in, I think they're currently on 5.1. And I would just love to see how they set up the behavior for them. It seems pretty straightforward, but it would be certainly interesting to see how they handled it. And if I would have done it differently or the same. I don't know why this game is so relaxing, by the way. I do definitely get that this very relaxing impression from it. It's like super chill, but I don't know why. It's like there is, I guess it's not very, there is not much pressure on it. Oh, there we go. Let's get it. There is not super much pressure on you. You are kind of just going at your own speed. Nothing, it's not really forcing you to do anything. Suppose those are very relaxing elements. Okay, there we go. Let's go back now. Castaway Journal. Cool. Well, I had fun. Gotta go find the game and chill as well. Best of luck. Okay, thank you kindly. Thank you for stopping by. Have a good one. Enjoy your evening or day, I suppose. Yeah, we are not hiding. We are not hunting those yet. Let's teleport back. To Tower of Rain Syndicate. Yeah. Gonna get that later. Don't worry, guys. Wait, wrong teleport. Okay, we should have quite a few dragon skill for it. Use on Pal to teach it a dragon cannon. Alright. Well, okay, so I can use it to train them. Alright, now we are talking. So let's take a bunch of these. Right, you want shift. Okay. They're gonna be eating eggs. And I am hungry, apparently. Alright, cool. Let's craft. Let's get crafting. Alright, and now when we got the logging site, and now we need another one for crusher. But wait, what is it crushing? Stone and wood to exchange them for other materials. Oh, cool. So we need a lot more wood, and we have enough for stone. That's nice. So, wait, no. What was the B? All right. Stone pit. Yes, my dear workers. Let's go. All right, and let's go get some more wood. What am I gonna be missing? Oh, I'm missing everything. Okay, so we need stone, palladium, and wood. Oh, this is a good spot. We can capture. We can spend here some time getting everything. I'm awesome. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I missed the message. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You're all even amazing here as well for being here. Sorry about missing it. We have enough maybe already? No, we need a lot more. Alright. I'm capable of thinking, apparently. It's good to know. $48, come on, one more. It's getting dark, but that's fine. My workers don't have any breaks. They just keep working constantly in happiness. This is a real socialism. They just keep working and don't mind it at all. Right. And weight it down. Well, that's not nice. Okay. Do I have enough? No, I need more palladium fragments. What stuff do I have that are so heavy? Let's see. No, I can jump with it? God damn it. Alright, we're gonna have to walk around. Alright, yeah, I wanted to put things down here. Oh, they are hungry. Why? Go eat, Jesus. Guess or I don't really need ice fragments. Oh wait, no, I do need palladium fragments. I probably don't need fiber. Okay. Wait, what's so heavy? What do I have that's heavy? I guess that wood? What is that so heavy? Alright. And I can add here one worker now, right? Oh no, it's full. But I can still put them here. There we go. Alright, yep, let's go to bed. Oh, whoa, excuse me, sir. This is my camp here. Alright, listen guys, he is way too strong for us right now. We cannot really take him down yet, but he is a target, right? We're gonna take it down. We are gonna take him down eventually. And that will be a glorious day for my empire. Okay. I should just keep upgrading stamina, because honestly that feels like the main thing that I'm actually running out of. Because the strength probably doesn't make too much sense to upgrade. It's not too much. Because I'm gonna get so many upgrades just with equipment. So maybe health, HP, because I get... But I wonder how much just getting armor is gonna help. Like different clothes and armor. Probably gonna be pretty significant boost, I can imagine. One more. Oh, now it just got damaged. Okay, that's enough. Let's go. Can someone take that thing away from here? Oh, we can harvest it already. Cool. So let's say, where are we gonna put this logging site? I guess somewhere around here would be nice. Alright, I think we may need to... it does seem like different paths are specializing in different things. So I think there's probably gonna be some benefit in putting here different kinds. Logging foreman, look at that! Just what I said! We need this guy. Okay, we do want him to be logging. He's a pyromaniac? That's not nice. Alright, let's collect this. Okay. Yeah. So we got this. Wait. Hacking fire. Wait, stand for a bit. God damn it, stop. Okay, I probably need to somehow equip him. Let's see. Okay, swift kindling, that's nice. Why can't I activate it? Hey, why are you in water? Oh, that's what I thought. Cool. So these now can do the harvesting and farming. Amazing. Got some pals to take care of this now. So this is good. Yeah, I don't think we have someone who does this. So we need someone who knows mining. And this one is logging. That's great. Oh, I have to hold it. Okay, yeah, this is pretty awesome. Not good. This is exactly everything I dreamed of. Okay, cool. So let's repair some stuff. Need more stone. But we should hopefully now start seeing stone here. No, we don't have anyone to do with stone. Oh wait, there is some on the ground. Okay, should be enough. Cool. All of these need stone. Well, that's fine, we got it updated now. Should be enough. Let's go fix the rest of the items, and then I think we are gonna need to. We don't need another one. I think we can just go down to hunting now. So, how many arrows do I have left? 3. Jeez, I'm shooting a lot apparently. So we're gonna get here a bunch more arrows. And then we just basically need to upgrade. For that we need to build a crusher. Oh, I just completely wasted one. Honestly, we can probably just go hunt a few more of these sheeps. Because I'm probably gonna get, like we know now, bonus for having 10 of them captured, so let's just try to capture a bunch of them. I probably don't even want my fox around here, because she's gonna kill them way too fast. Alright. Hey, listen, I'm gonna call my fox on you. You better stop this. Stop this behavior at once. No, wait, wrong button! I didn't want to call her! Okay, it's fine, we're gonna manage. Okay, no, go quick! Way too late. Lambda level 3. Okay. So how many Lamblal have we captured? Registered 7. Oh, okay, I see. That's for the whole of them. Capture bonus 7 out of 10. Okay, so we need to capture 3 more. Excuse me. Have you seen any sheeps around here? No? Okay. You better not be lying to me. Wait, there, it showed me some wait, we saw their habitat. So let's try to find their habitat. Wait, I can't capture more than a certain amount of them again, right? Yeah, that sucks. Can I just drop them? Honestly, I don't want them. Players from other guilds will be... I don't have... This is not multiplayer, I don't care. It's just a Lamblal. We don't care about them. But I guess on the other hand, when you think about it, I can store them. So wait, I was trying to figure out how do I find their habitat. Wait, no, this is mine. So well, okay, we got Pal deck. Not at all like a poké deck. Okay, so we just keep going straight. Nope, don't worry about it. I'm not saying size is exactly correlated with how dangerous the creature is, but there is some level of connection, I'm pretty sure. Oh wait, why? I don't have arrows? Why? Okay, this one. Oh wait, it was automatically sent to Palbox? Okay, so I don't have to worry about having to run back. I thought I'm not gonna be able to get more than... Oh! Crap! Wrong button, don't burn him, please! Woo! Saved! 9 out of 10, let's go, last one. It's gonna be somewhere here, I'm sure. They're hiding here. Let's just keep looking for them. None here? Yeah, there it is. Alright, listen, folks. We don't want to kill them, alright? We're trying to hunt them down and capture them into slavery. No killing. There we go, this should be 5th one. No, 10th, not 5th one, 10th one. Cool, we got a complete. Now we got all 10 of them, right? Guess that should give me, yeah. That should give me some bonus. Honestly, we can hunt down all these chickens as well. I get bonus for it. No, I did not want to summon it back. Oh, let's just beat it up. Okay, it was a bit too aggressively. I did not mean beat up like this. Alright, let's try to find more of them. How many of them do we have to capture? I've not captured this one yet. We got 2 out of 10. Okay, that's about like this for all of them. Okay. Let's get more chickens. It's simply vegan far too delicious. What are you suggesting here? Okay. Ooh, that looks like an interesting place. And we can go hunt there. I need to do one more level up, right? Before I can build a crusher. Wait, okay, wait. What can I teach him? Dragon cannon. That sounds reasonable. Can you learn dragon cannon? Cool. Wait, how do I do that? Shift increase in movement speed, hacking fire, dragon cannon. Energy ball imbued with draconic energy at an enemy. Okay, that sounds like something this fox will find useful. It's gonna be my main damage dealer, so I'm keeping this fox and its main damage dealer. Let's try to return here. Can get rid of all the... Hey, what you doing here? Goddamn lazy ape. Why don't you go working? Excuse me. Why don't you work? The fuck do you mean by taking a break? Do you think I'm gonna start paying you or what?
Yep.
Better start working. What a lazy slave. Okay, okay, why is no one collecting these? Sheesh. Alright, let's put it all here. Oh, wait, what? How did I? Nah. Alright. Let's just move all the wood here and all the rocks here as well. And we have a lot of wool. Can we sell this to someone? Okay. Okay, guys, you're not gonna like this. Okay, this definitely is a solid healing of damage. Oh, oh! They came to join me if someone attacks mine, my base. That's important. That's good to know. That's really good to know, actually. What do we know about these cats? Cats peaceful first. Ta-da! Okay, I guess we don't know much about it. And we don't know anything about these, so let's try to hunt a few of them down. And if we run while doing that across some more chickens, and that's even better. There's a lot of chickens. That's exactly what I wanted. Hey, chicken. Alright, that should figure out most of our problems. Hello, chicken number 2. My future slave. There, look at that, another upgrade. Exactly what I needed. Alright. Need a few more of them, but now just to start we need to unlock the crusher. And what we will need for crusher? We need wood, we need stone, and we need fragments. Alright. Need to hunt down more chickens as well. Oh, whoa, whoa. That was a strong move by me. Got 5 out of 10 now. Alright, should do the job. Oh, there is a fox. Let's hunt more foxes.
Yeah.
Alright. I have an idea, eh? Do you wanna be a flamethrower? Wait, stay! Oh my god, no, we're not fucking with that one. Oh, that was just 44%. Oh no! That is bad. That's very bad. Let's run. I am not entirely sure we can even... The fox is just attacking him. No! Let's not, please. That's not good. We do not want to attack him. Okay, I think we got away. Listen, I love that fox, but damn, that was ballsy. That was quite something. Let's get back to our base.
What? Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
We're gonna need to have a bunch of rocks and bunch of need to get a bunch of rocks and bunch of food to build the crusher. So let's try to get here someone to slave away. Wait, is this thing doing anything? I don't think so. Musclehead, what does it mean? Attack 40%, work speed minus for... Okay, so kind of useless. Can just add all of them here though. Oh wait, I want one of them. That is my fox. This one stays here. Yeah, I guess that's about the best composition we can have right now. So let's just grab all of this. And see if that's gonna be enough. Building, and we do not have even enough wood. We need a lot more palladium. So wait, we need like half of that. No, god damn it. Okay, what's the color combination? Okay, like this. 19. And okay, we can get rid of a bunch of other stuff. So we don't need any leather. We don't need any flame organs, but this is running out of space, so I suppose we don't have really that much of a choice. Okay, let's go sleep first. Go! Okay. Let's spawn the fox so it walks around with me. Oh, some issue. Okay. Wait, why can't I spawn them? Wait, why did no one did that? Oh. Okay, we can do a bunch of these. And this needs watering, and we don't have anyone to water? What? No, we do. Why is he not doing that? Alright. We don't need more recipes, but we do kind of need to fix this. And why? Wait, why is no one doing this handiwork? Why does no one do handiwork here? Was it done by these? No, we do have one of them. Weird. Or maybe specifically arrow needs to be done by someone with that skill. Let's build a bunch of them. Just lower the light here. It's getting late. I mean, this is kind of good enough for now, and I am not sure why no one is crafting that. There should be a beings or like pals available to craft it. So let's see. Wait, no, wrong item. There we go. Let's take your time with that. No stress. We don't need more rocks, we just need... I don't like them constantly taking breaks. How can I make them work without breaks? We need to figure out this slavery stuff. Oh wait, I'm gonna probably be able to collect enough wood from here though. Let's see. I can do it later, I just need first to get enough palladium. We need just one more. And then, okay, yeah, we have almost everything. Listen, could you stop walking around here? Guys, do you think it's worthwhile trying to attack it? I'm pretty low level for it right now, I'm pretty sure. But when it's on our environment, we have got like all of these that are pretty strong. And I can grab my fox and launch it as a flamethrower. Which is pretty OP. Yeah. Okay, we can have it. I can put it. I don't know. Where are we gonna put it? No, we can put it up here. That sounds cool. I'm very overweight. Okay. Come on, guys. Don't make fun of me just because I'm overweight. I can do it here. No, but I don't want to have it behind my window. I'm gonna look out of that window and see how beautiful the world is. Ah, it left? Alright, I guess we are not gonna attack it now. Got some more stat points, so let's see. I mean, honestly, it seems to me like it makes most sense to just put it into stamina. And maybe bait so I can carry more stuff. But that's about it. Yep, alright, we got upgrades. Hot spring and primitive furnace. Alright, so let's see. Hot spring and primitive furnace. That's okay. So we just need to keep leveling up. Gotcha. Okay, so we can. Oh, we can get them to make a palladium fragment. Okay, that is very good. Oh, wait. What the? What is this? Where is the enemy? My fox, come to me. No, I can't switch now. No. Okay, now it works on gamepad. I can. Fox, attack. Where is he? Find him and attack him. No. Where? Oh, up there. Okay. I mean, that's not even close. Okay, guys, prepare yourself. We're facing offensive. Let's capture them and enslave them like women and like women and men and children. Do I have enslaving pots? Oh, I may not have enslaving pots. Wait, that sucks. Don't have a single one? No, I cannot enslave them. God damn it. We need enslaving pots quickly. Oh, we can enslave just one of them. That's great. Alright, they are coming. We can enslave one of them. Let's go. Why are we being invaded by a goddamn birds? Can someone attack it, please? Alright, Fox, come to me. Oh wait, what? That thing can are you kidding me? What is this? That was very lucky. Can we put them to work? They should be enslaved. I see they are pretty good attack ones, but we have, well, my fox is pretty decent for attacking, so I'm gonna just keep them working. Alright. Why were we attacked by this? Just roll it to the wall. Okay, I guess we are not rolling it anywhere. What do you mean hungry? Go eat something. There's like 13 omelets. Why are you hungry? Okay. Okay, we need more pulp. We need a lot more pulp fragments, and we need silver. So okay, let's get them to just start making. Wait, okay, so I need more stones first. Well. Oh, I think it's already counting everything that I have access to. That's good to know. Oh, we need another bed for pulse as well. Okay, I am way too heavy now. Now really just need to get there. Okay, this is very frustrating. Let's drop all of this. Gonna pick it up in a bit, don't worry. I can put that in the box. What you doing here? Alright, let's go just build some slave capturing balls, and once we do that, we can go hunt down some more animals. Oh yeah, we need to build that bed. Wait, no, that's not what I want. Bulldog storage, I think it's infrastructure. Can just build here like 3 more already. Well, we're at it, let's just get here like at least 3 more of them. Oh, well, wrong button, never mind, we're gonna just have 1. Alright. Alright, let's just also collect all of this on the ground. Why is no one grabbing it? Alright, let's just grab all of them. How do I know which skills does each pal know? Have? There should be some way to know it, right? Either I probably need more of these buttering. So I think that was there was this one that could butter, right? Now at least 1 more. Now we can put everything on the chest and let's go hunting. Okay, I can just put this in here, and the rest of it we don't really care. The rest of it should be super light. God, it's 170 wool. We have to really find a way how to get rid of it. Got gunpowder. That is pretty impressive. All right, and we can just take half of this and put it in the fried eggs. Cool. I guess we can put here. Well, I just put the egg there already. Well, what can we do? All right, let's do some teleporting. Wait, what? No, we don't want any more enhancing. Let's teleport. So we need to teleport from here, right? Yes. Wait, do I have any more? No. We can explore more, so let's try to go a little bit in this direction. Let's see what we find here. And while we are here, let's try to hunt down some more. Well, some more cats here would be nice as well. I think I don't have a chicken leveled up completely yet, right? No. Low chicken. But I am pretty limited on the amount of slave capturing balls I have right now, which is a bit annoying. So I actually have to be a bit strategic about it. So I think these were able to use watering, which we need. So, excuse me. May I have your attention? Hey, would you just stop for a goddamn second? Jesus, stop! Oh, are you kidding me? Okay, that was pretty intense. Okay, listen. We need to get them, but not like this. I hope he listened to me. Oh, we're outside. No, we should have some arrows. Wait, what's wrong? Didn't I collect some arrows? Oh, I'm constantly running out of them. Come on. Oh, I think he's stuck. It looks like Buck. No, listen, if you go there, that owl is gonna destroy you. Okay, I think he's just bugged, so I'm gonna decrease his health and capture him. 65 40. Yep. Go keep capturing, gotta get more of them. And we can get some of these. And some of these. Okay. Excuse me, would you stop? I'm trying to capture you and enslave you and all your kids. Jesus, she probably really doesn't want to be... I can punch her in the water. I feel like I've been defeated completely and utterly. That is very disappointing. Okay, let's go capture the goddamn penguin. Hey. Fox, do your thing. You're fire. It's water. You should be like super strong against it. Oh, good. That thing is capable, apparently. $16 still? That's low. Too late. Yep. Alright, there should be another penguin somewhere here. Maybe not. Oh, we got at least another. Oh, 2 more pulse spheres. That's nice. Okay, let's capture this one. Listen, Fox, not killing, okay? Strict no killing policy. Deal some damage. Okay, that's way too much. God damn it, Fox. I think she has aggression problems. Okay, oh, we need this one as well.
Yeah.
So listen, we are gonna deal some damage to it and then you are gonna leave, alright? No killing. Okay, let's go. Damage. Cool. One more time. Okay, one more time. And come back, come back. Cool. I don't really need more of these. I'm apparently pretty hungry. Pal fluids. Okay, I do not want to know how we got that one. Let's see, what is this? Another egg. I don't know what those eggs are for yet, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be useful eventually. Oh, another egg. Another egg. Another chim. Fansi. Okay. Fox, fire thing now. Oh. Okay, that's probably too much.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed it? No. Could have expected that, honestly. That one was on me. No, not my fox. Okay, let's go back and respawn. We're gonna go get it, don't worry guys. No, the wrong base. How do I misclick it every time? I guess it doesn't really matter, right? Since I'm teleporting anyway, right away. Alright, you wanna go that way. 300 meters. Never felt longer. And it's dark, that's not good. Are we gonna see like a dark beings attacking? Some dark pulse. Oh, this looks like it's Nightwing. Okay, not Nightwing, but Nightwing. Yeah, I don't think my pronunciation really helps the case. Melappa. Oh, look at that. That fox is shiny. Well, not shiny, but it's on fire. Which is to be expected. It's made out of fire, it looks like, so yeah. It looks pretty cool though. Lit up. Looks just like a emissive material. Okay, I need to get all my equipment. And I would love to find here another spawn point somewhere close. Okay, we can maybe just get the entrance to that now. Okay, yeah, that cold is an issue. We need to get back my stuff. And then start fire. Exactly. Oh, there's some structure. Let's see, maybe it's gonna lead us to some point. Does not look suspicious or dangerous at all, right, guys? It's alright. I'm gonna get through it. Oh, yeah, wrong button. Wait, no, I can actually blink my fox. Because that one is gonna be on fire. Oh wait, what's attacking us? Depresso? What is that? I can't even see it. Oh. Okay. We can try to get it. Fine, don't worry about it. Okay, yeah, we do have... Wait, am I stupid?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm doing a very good job attacking this thing. Oh. Okay, can someone kill it, please? Can't be punching it with a torch and setting it on fire, apparently. Okay, you know what? Let's get here. This fox back. Now. Do your job. Be a aggressive fox. I wanted to hunt it, but okay, that's fine. No. No. No way I'm going to a dungeon. What are those question marks? What do you think, guys? Is that a good sign or a bad sign? Okay. Oh, what is that? Oh, okay, there is some of the pulse at night are apparently pretty... Oh, let's leave. Let's leave. Let's leave very, very fast. Yeah, they are not friendly at all. I'm starting to think that walking around at night was not a great strategy. Oh, just a hunch, you know, guys, but yeah, may not wanna do that again. Okay, let's try. Do not. Come on. Where is my fox? Okay, we are getting onto a fight I did not want to get into. Oh yes, that's exactly what I thought may happen. 26 is still not crazy low. Let's go. Any chance? No, God. I did expect that, to be honest. It was a bet. I could have tried to kill him. Oh, I can respawn here now? That's strange, why? It was a bet. I hope that I'm gonna be able to capture him, but yeah. Close enough. Almost got it. At least it's almost a day now, so we're gonna be able to go further and unlock some other areas. Maybe. All right. Do. The pulse are level capped anyway with my levels, so it doesn't really matter that much. Okay, because I was thinking it could be cool to hunt down some of the stronger pals. Would be a quick way how to raise my own level, but they are gonna be level capped, so it actually doesn't matter too much, right? Yeah. Alright. How many ball balls do we have? Just one ball. Okay. Let's just capture something and unlock the tower. I don't want to go inside, but I do want to unlock it. Oh, come on. Hey! Wait, I'm just trying to attack you. It's maybe... Oh, what's happening here? Syndicate duck. Let's see what's happening. They are pretty low levels, so we can probably attack them. Oh, let's attack them and take data. Stuff. Why can't I loot them? You know what? I know exactly what this needs. This needs a flamethrower.
Yeah.
Oh wait, what? How did I die so fast? What killed me? What the hell? It was like insta-kill. Jeez, that's far. Okay, let's go. Oh, let's grab this one actually. I wish I could use more than one at the same time. It would be so much fun. Because you could do like a really cool composition of like who do you want to have in your team. I know it's a little bit different game, but it would be very fun. Oh, this may be a bit troublesome. So we basically need to get... We need to get the... Need to get the items, because without them I'm kind of useless. I'm pretty weak at least. I can probably just hide in the corner and let the Pal here do all the work, like all the good leaders. But... let's see, I think it should be pretty OP. Oh, that goddamn turret was here! I missed it before. I like that there are dungeons here. That's really nice. Okay. Let's get our stuff now. You know, you go do your thing. Alright, what do we have? Do we have anything for remote attacking? Apparently not. Oh. Oh, wait, what's happening? Something is insta-killing me and I have no clue what is that. Okay, you know what guys? I don't think I can face them quite yet. I'm gonna need to figure out what's killing me and get better weapons, and then we can take them. But I have now a teleporter, so it's gonna be easy. So I'm not too worried about it. So first of all, just grab my stuff. And then I'm probably just gonna escape for now. Would you trust me that I'm just here to get my stuff? Go, run! Oh my god, there is one. This one doesn't seem to be attacking me though, for some reason. Either way, I am out of here. We have here a dungeon and we have here a camp of very... What physics? You're back! Alright, well hello there! But have you missed a few deaths? Some night expedition and then a few more deaths. That's about it. Managed to successfully die a few times. Found a camp of some people living here. So I tried to attack them and it was not a good idea. Hot spring, we need stone, fragments and fluids. I've... wait, did no one work on this? I think I have someone who was watering. Come on, people. But is no one chatting? Yeah, people are not much in the chatting mood, I suppose. But I think I'm gonna be ending a bit, in a bit anyway. I have been streaming for 3.5 hours, so that's about it. Just wanted to get here these, because they should help with watering. I need someone who can do that watering. And I'm pretty sure that these should be able to do that. Wait. Now this chimp can do a lot, that's good. It can do cooking, if I'm reading this correctly. So I should probably have at least one of them. Is there anything that this thing can do? Oh, just some weird green collecting we don't really care about. The fox is useful because we can use it can cook. But honestly, that chimp seems to be the most useful. I think I'm just gonna get a bunch of them. You have a smart guy here. Ask him a question, I suppose. I suppose. Nah. It's alright, it's alright. Sometimes people just wanna look and don't just watch and not work too much, not think too much, and that's fine. Especially now we are just playing, so nothing too crazy here. And I haven't been streaming for a while, so that always reduces it. Reduces the I suppose activity of a chat is kind of a strange effect, but it does tend to happen a lot. Okay, I think I'm ending it now today anyway. I progressed quite a bit. So that's pretty good. Okay. There are levels to work abilities. Okay, wait, what do you mean? There are levels to work abilities. I don't think I understand. Could you elaborate? To like for the individual pals? To in pals. Okay. Wait, so if I grab one of them and see details, oh, I can give him an assault rifle. That's nice. Yeah, okay. I know they have these skills, but I don't know if that's what you mean. Okay, he's. Oh, I see. Okay, these have levels. Okay, so neither of them has watering. I need someone with watering. I thought that this one has watering. But apparently not. Is it always per type, or do the individual ones have different? And this one is useful for farming. Okay, so I need here at least... Wait, is there anything that this can do? Oh, okay, this one uses farming as well. All of them can do handiwork, but don't get a lot of money just because the stronger folks work faster. Get a lot of funkies as well. Yeah, I figured that's probably not a good idea. But if Pulse has hands, for example. Okay, gotcha. So it's kind of like guessed. But I need mainly someone with watering, because that's what I'm getting stuck on here. So, but farming is not happening because no one is watering here. And the same with this process. So I'm gonna need to find a pal that can do watering, but maybe I can find it in the pal deck. Oh yeah, we have that information here. I have to capture them first though to know that, apparently. That kind of makes sense. Oh, where have I come across this one? Okay, need to get some more pals now. There should be some near the first fast travel post you discovered. I don't know which one those are though. Captiva is sucking off. Where is it? Where is it? I'm gonna go punch it. Okay. Penguin can water. I thought so, but okay. Let's. You know what? I wanted to end it, but now I'm gonna go hunt down some penguins. I think I tried to hunt down a penguin like 3 times already and always failed. So let's actually get one. I don't think I have any arrows, but that's fine. We can do it. Any penguins? Pretty sure they were around here. Wait, I can actually check it in the ball deck, right? It's this one. Oh, I have to wait. Maybe habitant. I just click way too fast. So let's see. Habitat. Okay, so we have a lot of them here. Just need to find them. Down there. I know that I saw a bunch of penguins here as well. I just need to find them. Wait, do I even have Pal? Yeah, I have 5 of them. Okay, yeah, I thought I have a lot less. I wanna actually capture this thing as well, though. There's a valley that spawns there as well. Yeah, I think that's a little bit further. I wanted to capture this thing as well. Okay, we do not want to die here. No! God damn it, what did I just say? Alright, one more time. Should have spawned a pal to help me. Was a bit distracted to be fair, but yeah, that one is on me. Okay. Let's just quickly get there. 2. Oh, now it stayed in water. Interesting. I guess it respawned further on if I was only if I was way too close in the water. Okay. This owl, hawk, this is way too OP. So let's get fox. Oh, look at him, penguin. Let's get him. There's an armor you can craft, helps damage. Yeah, I suppose. I know that I'm gonna have to do it. Just have had other things to build for now. No, how do we attack it now? Somehow, please. Fox, could you attack it? God damn it. Can't attack it from here. Okay, let's follow it. He's gonna eventually go find some land and then we're gonna capture it. Don't drown. Wait, I can drown here? Well, yeah, of course I know I can drown. Should be like a stamina that's decreasing. Oh, it keeps decreasing. God damn it, that was not smart decision. I thought that the stamina is gonna have separate stat. Maybe? How close am I? Oh god damn it, that was close. I was so lucky right now. Thanks for telling me. Yeah. See guys, that's how amazing gamer I am. Okay, we cannot just go swimming there. I'm still somewhat surprised this fire-fueled fox can just walk on water and swim, but hey. If it works, eh? Okay, let's go get some penguins. Wow, yeah, that was honestly, that was so close. I think I was practically dead already. It's like I don't know. I feel like it feels like it's missing sometimes which I understand, like still early access, but it's missing a bunch of the pointers that you would get, like a sound effects. That like, oh, you are in danger, or yo, stamina is decreasing, or something like that. Oh, god damn it, I was too late. I thought I'm gonna be in time. Okay. Let's try to go to that valley. We're gonna probably be able to find them there. Oh, why is the Kativa attacking? Oh! Do you see that? Oh wait, that's not mine. Is it? No, it is. What is it attacking? For combat you have music. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay, we got here some lampas, but I think there should be a bunch of penguins spawning here. Not a one? Really? Oh, come on. Excuse me. Did you see any penguin around here? Well, I guess you will have to do. Hey, where's my fox? Do something about it. Why is it running away? Alright, fox, go get it. I think I may have attacked someone a bit too strong, but we can probably... still get her. This one has really strong attacks. Highly effective, look at that. Yep. Okay, how are we doing? A bit more. Afraid that another attack is gonna just kill it though. Oh, okay, there we go. Just 12%? That's pretty low. My guess is that it's because this is a very high level crit. Yeah, I figured I'm gonna actually have to start look into crafting's better capturing balls. Alright, let's just get there and pick up all the stuff. Listen, guys, I'm just trying to get a goddamn penguin. Why is it so difficult to get a penguin? There should be a bunch of them spawning here. So you would expect them around water, wouldn't you? Alright, let's see. Should be a bunch of them this way. Yeah, I am kind of unlucky apparently. But come on. It even shows me they should be spawning here. Okay, we can try to at least capture this one again. And try not to... Ooh, it goes into attacking right away. That's some balls there. Damn, they are quite strong. Yep, that's why I tried to capture it before, but... Never mind. We call it... Yeah. It's too late for it anyway. I'm just... Honestly, I just want to get a penguin and quit this stream. But we can do that before we get the penguin. Let's get a penguin. No penguins. It looks like a water type as well, though. How many do I have? Can I afford to lose some here? Okay, let's punch it. Yes. Okay. Really? That's pretty low HP now. Come on. Alright. Using its own body water spell can create waves anywhere in its body. Okay, this gotta be a... Oh, what is this? This looks like a camp. Hopefully not full of enemies. So, let's see, can this thing water? Did I miss him already? Ah, there it is. Watering. Cool. We got it. Yes. Okay. Let's slowly aim back. Oh wait, there is a quick travel tower. We can just as well lock ourselves here. Hopefully we're not gonna die here. That would be somewhat unfortunate. Okay, this way. This is a friendly settlement, right? It is not an okay. Enemies settlement. Yeah, they look enthusiast amateur researcher. Yep. I just wanna unlock it right now. I don't really wanna interact with them. Gonna do that later. But honestly, yeah, that's it. Let's just go back so I can set them to work. Yep. We got them. Got them, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Ball box, and we want this little dude. It's a muscle head, which sucks because that means he has lower productivity. 50% lower productivity. God damn it! But we don't have anyone else, so we need someone to do watering. So wait, this one is. We have other ones that do farming, right? Yeah. Okay, we have at least someone who can do farming now. That's pretty great. We just... Oh God. Why is there no one picking these things up? I think I have like 200 of wool now. Alright, now he is working. That's good. So let's put this in here. Okay, I can put all the rocks here. We can grab the eggs because we can cook them, and we can put the wood here. And where is all the wool? Yeah, now 250. Amazing. I got some lazy workers. Yeah, what the hell is this? This is not supposed to be cheeses. Maybe they want me to start paying them or something. I don't know, man. So lazy. Oh, we can increase it even more. Okay, go work now. And you go make me this. I think I'm gonna need to unlock a new bigger pal capturing thing. Mano, bye. Honestly, I just like hearing the environment around me. I don't know why exactly. It's just... oh, we could use this. It just makes it a little bit easier because I can hear everything around me, and I have two dogs behind me that sometimes tend to do mischief, so I like to hearing them. So it's just nice hearing environment as well as hearing music or the sounds from the game. So yep, that doesn't have any deep reason. Maybe I'm gonna sync my regular Bluetooth headphones and not these overhead headphones, and that's gonna make it a little bit easier. But we shall see. The color night, primitive work, hanging there. Maybe we could set up trunk. Unlock shield and armor. Oh, shield I was looking at. I should probably get it. Yeah. I made a first itself and not taking damage, and stone sphere could be maybe useful. It's for close combat, but honestly I'm so low down here that I'm gonna be probably pretty soon able to unlock much better stuff, so I don't think it's really worthwhile spending technology points on, but maybe close. Yeah, exactly. Close combat. Like, the combat here is not very fun anyway. And I don't really play it for... Oh, that is a grappling gun. I don't think it's very fun. Like, doing more combat is probably not gonna make it more fun. Why can't I unlock them? Do I not have points? No, I have enough points. Oh, unlocked after certain pal is captured. Okay, gotcha. I could get fire. I could get better bow. But... I can get an assault rifle for him. That's nice. I don't need those to call that. Yeah, they did not. I was thinking about it like, okay, that's not probably very helpful. Okay, yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna... Okay, I think I'm gonna unlock this bow right later, because that's gonna be probably a pretty significant upgrade over the bow that I have right now. But until then, I don't think there is probably worthwhile spending, really. money on anything. I like the technology points. We're gonna need the hot springs, but we can do that later. Okay, I'm just gonna go to sleep now, so I wake up in the morning, and then I'm gonna end the stream today. Take the basic. It is. Wait, what? You mean the clothes, or what do you mean? And yeah, I do have a flamethrower. I got this fox with a. What you doing, guys, in my house? Go to work, Jesus. I think I'm gonna get rid of beds for you. Okay, now this one is working. Amazing. Yep, I do have a flamethrower fox. You did mean the clothes. Okay, let's see. Maybe I can get it. I should probably stop running around half naked. If you recommend it, then I will trust you to get it. And I'm gonna have to put on the shield as well. Okay, so we had a clothes somewhere up here. Oh, I can craft it right away, so let's just do it. Alright, I'm gonna just do the pulse spheres as well. Thank you. You're paying me for not running around naked. Damn, was it that bad? You know what? I can do the shield as well. This is exactly how you end up never quitting. It's just it has such a just one more thing element that it just feels like, okay, I just want to do this one more thing and then I'm done with it. It was on. I'm gonna trust you. Okay. It's good. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Okay, well, you know what? While we are at it, let's get the shield as well. We need some just stone and fragment. I think I should be able to get stones for it. Definitely has those. I wonder how exactly you designed it. We got 70 stone. Okay, that's a lot of stone. How to design that? That's a really good question. I got 700 out of 350. Okay, we are gonna walk a bit slower for a bit. There is a talk by a Sid Meier, who's the original designer of First Civilization, which Sphere kind of can assume is one of the most important games in when it comes to this just one more turn. So I would probably recommend reading that, watching these, watching a bunch of these, and then I think it's like some very smooth level of stimulation when we are like, okay, I just need to do this little thing. It is on GDC, yeah. Wait, I'm working in the wrong direction. It's a GDC talk. He has multiple of them, but if you just look for Sid Meier GDC, you're gonna probably find them. But I think it's about making the next step you have to do very, very attainable. So it's like something that you can you basically are like, okay, right now let's look at this. I'm like, okay, this close. I can already build it, so let me just craft it, right? And I craft it. And then I just spawned it and I'm like, oh, I'm missing just one thing. This will take me just few minutes. Right? And I'm like, and I'm gonna be super blah, blah, blah. So I think it's that whole gratification that's gonna be just, if you do just a little bit more, you will get it. Right? That's what probably makes it super addictive, because basically every time you do something, it shows you another thing that's almost there, that you can almost do. And then I stream for 3 hours exactly. To be fair, I have been playing for like what, hour, maybe hour and a half. Just to be clear, I have been streaming Palworld for 3 hours, but yeah, it do be like that. It do. Mobile games are experts at it, for better or worse. It's always just one more thing that you can do. And the Civilization is just like, it's one more turn, right? You just want to know what happens in that one turn. And you just click on it. And then you will know. Okay, now we got a shield. I'm ending it after the shield, by the way, guys, alright? Nothing else. You have to make your own limits. It's a gambling addiction. Yeah, I think that's kind of how to think about it. You basically always have this another small thing that you have to do. Now you shall die less. I sure hope so. See, no, that's already it, right? I was like, okay, common shield, almost done. And then meanwhile I got here a notification, oh, the eggs are done. I can just go here and pick up the eggs, and that's it, right? It feels like such a small thing, and you can just do it. It's right here. Okay, we got a shield. That's it. I'm not doing anything else right now. But I really do want to pick up these eggs, but we set a limit, and that's where the limit ends. yeah, exactly. I read the description. Okay, guys. Let me maximize my stuff so you can see me in my all my beauty. So, that's it for today. Thank you everyone for being here. That was a very lovely stream. Got a lot of brainstorming for debugging plugin. So I'm gonna be writing that now on streams and by myself as well. I'm gonna now because changing schedule a little bit so that I basically always have like one day that I can just in the evening focus purely on programming and not have to worry too much about stream, and one day streaming. So I'm gonna be always streaming 3 times a week now and for a longer stream. So now today it's 3 hours 58 minutes, so almost 4 hours. So that's kind of what we can expect, because I was kind of, when I was streaming a lot, I was missing the times when you just really deep dive into work and just don't do anything than just one super focused 3 hours long session. You can really do that on stream when there are other people communicating with you. So now I'm gonna be switching it on and off and just switching it. I think the schedule ended up being was it Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday? Something like that. I think it was Wednesday, Saturday, and I'm not sure if it was Monday. I don't know. I have to check, but I have it scheduled. It's 3 times a week, longer stream. So we got 3 hours today and another 3 hours sometime next week, probably 3 times. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you kindly for being here. Lord of the Six, thank you kindly for the conversation, and I enjoyed it as well. So hopefully you enjoyed it too. So have a good one, guys. Bye bye.